Yo, 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 yo. How's everyone doing? Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. What a nice day it is. Is it nice? It's alright. How's everyone doing? What's good, Malenko, Jules? Victory settings. What's good, what's good? Eugene, Crypto Maniac. How's everyone doing? How is everyone doing? Welcome back on this lovely Monday. It's good to be on. Noose, what's good? Top of the morning. Let's go, let's go. Jay, how we doing? Cool, man, cool. It's a start of a fresh week. I'm excited for this week. I'm not gonna lie, chat. I'm absolutely excited. I was looking at this little onion play forming here, but apparently it didn't form in the end. But yeah, let's get that bread. Exactly. How was everyone's weekend though? I hope you all had a good weekend. I hope you all you know, either did something productive or relaxed and chilled out. One or the other. Again, let me start this this Zoom 1 sec. Always forgetting the Zoom. Always. It's like a ritual now. We have to forget the Zoom. Cool. Share sounds. Copy link. Okay. Good stuff, chat. Well, today, obviously, we have a new weekly candle, which is interesting. There's no news today either. I just checked on Forex Factory. There's no news for today. We do have some news coming up later in the week, but in terms of today, we should be all clear. Now, I'll get into this breakdown in a second once I send this link. Perfect. Chat, drop a like if you haven't already. Welcome to the stream. Welcome back. Good morning. Hope you're all doing well. Hope you're all doing splendid. Cool. So, what can we see here? Well, if we look on the weekly, we closed bullish engulfing on the previous weekly. So that's obviously a very bullish indicator, right? An absolutely very bullish indicator. So I would say that, you know, on the weekly, especially now that we're coming down to grab a bottom wick, maybe when we start to flip and break these highs, that should be a good indication for us to continue upwards. It's almost essentially forming a bit of an onion play on the weekly time frame there. Now, let me turn that music back up. Sorry, I just turned it down way too far down. Now, on the daily though, if you drop to the daily, it's a little bit of a different story, because even though we have closed bullish in the past two daily candles, right, we did close below this little area here. Now, I'm not sure how much of an issue that's going to be. We closed respecting that area, so potentially it could play a bit of a role. However, if we wanted to continue up, this could purely just be a minor level that we you know, retraced on for a continuation upwards. So I wouldn't pay too much of attention for that. I think we can still be good to be bullish on the day on the day to go upwards. Now, the 4 hour is a bit of a different story, because we're in a range on the 4 between, I would say, somewhere down here. Yeah, between 23.44 and somewhere, well, to be fair, you could essentially say here at 23.69. That's almost like a smaller range there. But if you wanted to look at the wider range, obviously you're going to be looking between 23.99 and 23.44. So I believe there's definitely still room to move. We just have to see how everything forms, because, you know, we have room up and we have a little bit of room down. So that's something we need to keep in mind, especially with the daily closing at that level that it did. But I think overall we are going to still be bullish on the daily. Now, what can we look at in terms of ranges? Now, I just had these marked up, but 23.49.5 should be a decent level here for sells below. Let me just pull this down a little bit, actually. 23.48.7, I'd say. Any closure below there should realistically lead us further down. That'd be a range 2 closure as well, right? Because our range 1 would have been up here for buys. So anything for that would be decent. Now, yeah, as I said, for buys, we'd probably be looking at range 2 being 23. Was it 23.61 I was looking at? Probably anywhere here. Anywhere above 23.61.67. And then obviously rather not aggressive. This is 30 pips away, but a bit of a closer break-even point. 25 pips, sorry. And to be honest, guys, that's what I'm going to be looking for today. Now, if we form an onion play in this range, then potentially we can look to take something off that, you know. Maybe we form a nice little steep bullish closure and then get a bottom wick on the next one. Potentially we can then look for some buys to fill up the top of this range, you know, before we have to close above, so we can look to fill this range, because that is a good advantage point too. Other than that, buys will be above 23.61 unless I've missed something on the 30. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Yeah, I don't see why we can't take buys above 23.54 on the 30 minute. 23.54.9, so essentially 23.55 is a clean level. Once you close above there, you should be able to fill the top of that range up to 23.61. So we'll actually look for buys there too. Cool, chat. Sound good? Hopefully it does. Hopefully that analysis made sense to you. If it did, please make sure you drop a like as payment. And yeah, other than that, guys, let's wait for some closures, lock in a little bit, and get ready for the beginning of the week. Love the slow music, appreciate it. A little bit too slow this there, can't lie. Good, Eugene. Boaz, what's good? Shahir, can you please explain these wicks? I'm new to trading and doesn't know why do you use bottom wicks or top wicks. What do these mean? Yeah, Spion's right. Spion sent in the course that I've got, the free course. So if you are new, make sure you use that. But essentially, they're liquidity grabs. So when we see bottom wicks and top wicks, this means we're grabbing liquidity of specific areas. Now, give me 1 sec, chat. My drink is over there. I left it on the little thing. All right, 1 sec. Okay, I'm back. Got the essentials. The absolute essentials. Let me just scooch. Cool. So, new week. Time to lock it in here. Big things coming very soon. Content level up is going to be insane. Today, chat, I'm posting another day in the life vlog. Speaking of that, I need to chase this up real quick. Yeah, posting a new day in the life vlog today, which should be good. And then there's also going to be more episodes of the course and more trading episodes coming this week. So I'm very excited for that. Very excited. What's good, Saxy? How you doing? What's good? The Bungle Man, crazy. Not the Bungle Man. Pushing down here, chat. Pushing down. If we get a closure below this level, I don't see why we wouldn't continue further down. Pretty much clean traffic below this level until I would say at least 23.43. Yeah, no, that looks clean. Let's see what forms here. Nice little closure below, bottom wick up to 23.50. And then yeah. Why is this guy speaking in Dutch? You're not even Dutch. What does that mean? Dutch is an interesting language. Probably the worst language, I would say. Let's go. New course episode. Drop some likes, people. Yeah, drop some likes, guys. Drop some likes. Behind you, 146. What's good? I'm going to do that every time you join the chat. Not even funny, but it entertains myself. Noose, what's good? How's the Clash of Clans, gents? It would have been good. You know, you see TT in the chat there. He's about number 11 in the clan, right? So obviously you're meant to attack your opposite number. He decided to go and attack their 20. So now everyone below can't attack their opposite numbers. So he kind of ruined the entire clan war for us. I think we lost, actually. So yeah, go blame that guy. Brandon Blades, by the way, from the DC last night. Oh, nice, bro. Yeah, good stuff. Well done for joining that call. Hopefully it was educational to you, at least a little bit. Possibly behind a funded challenge today. Let's pass this thing. Hey, let's go, bro. You got this. I believe. I believe. It's good. Poker was also pretty good. Yeah, chat, we should definitely do a the poker is not normal in those calls, by the way. Someone just started it and I kind of went with it, but we should definitely do a poker night one day in the Discord. We'll do like a poker tournament. I'll give away a funded account or something. I'll give away like a 25k funded or a 10k funded or something. What's good, Van? How you doing, brother? Are you back off your fishing trips now? I see you holding up a new fish every day. Thanks, bro. Good morning. What's good, Forest Wood? How you doing, man? What's good? What's good? Good to hear you. Good to see you, brother. Yeah, I got back, but going again in 2 weeks' time. Hey, nah, I appreciate that, man. Yeah, good to see you in the chat as well. Good to see you. That's sick, though. I'm glad you're enjoying yourself, and I see you getting funded and getting your payouts, bro. Good shit, man. I'm proud. That's fire. Absolutely fire. Yeah, SG, I'm back from holidays. What have I missed, bro? What's good, Sammy? What have you missed? Depends how long you were gone. Not much. I mean, we took a loss a while ago. I don't know if you missed that. We took our first loss. We took 2 more wins after that loss. Last week we got hit break even 3 times in a row. And then it ran every single time consistently. Other than that, the education's been huge. We hit peak numbers again. We hit like consistently 200s, 260s, which is good. And yeah, that's what I'd say, to be honest. How are you doing? Yeah, I'm good, bro. I'm good. Working hard, scaling as well. Time for me to scale. I've been trying to scale personals rather than fundeds a little bit more, and scaling content. But yeah, nah, I'm very good, man. Slime ball was good. Man, I gotta learn how to fish. Yeah, I've never actually fished, but it seems fun. It seems fun in a decent country, though. It doesn't seem fun in England because I feel like it'd be cold and shit. Morning, fam. What's good, Tommy? What's good? Do you ever reflect on yourself when you go on holiday? Yeah. I feel like going on holiday, or at least going to a different country, gives you an opportunity for reflection, not only on yourself, but also on the situation that you're in back home. Your reflection was having more control of your day. Oh, nice. In which way? Because that's a good one. A good one. Do you work outside of trading, or is this your full-time job? Now, this is my full-time job. This is how I make a living. We're waiting for the next hourly closure and then a top wick. Yes, sir. You know it. We're pushing here, so there's some volume. Question is, do we do the classic gold movement at the minute and just fill the range before we can even get any entries. Maybe. Started going to the gym early morning today. I was at the gym at 6 a.m. Jeez. I hated going gym in the evening. Yeah, I understand that. Especially if it's like super busy. You don't want to be... Yeah, you don't want to be in the gym when it's like really, really busy. So, good shit, man. An early workout is incredible for you. Such a good feeling. So, good stuff. Stick to it though. Especially, make sure you stick to it when it gets cold outside and everything. That's when it gets really hard to go to the gym early. When it's winter and shit. So, good stuff, bro. Keep it going. Wait, I thought I had... There you go. I usually go at 10 p.m. Bro, that's crazy late. If it works for you, it works for you. I have some mates that go to the gym at like 2 a.m. They're like proper messed up sleep schedules, so they just go to the gym at 2 a.m. But yeah, not me. Never me. Cedric Diggory, what's good? How you doing, man? Chat. I have recently elevated the content that is going to start coming out, right? So, not the most recent vlogs, not the one that's coming out today. Well, the one that's coming out today is obviously still good quality, but I've hired a new team, new camera, all this stuff, right? Quality of content that's going to come out is going to be insane. Absolutely insane. Not only just like day in the life stuff and everything, also the educational value and all that sort of stuff is going to be massive. So I'm really looking forward to that for you guys, and for me obviously, just like as a passion project, but it should be great. I'm super excited. Wait, oh shit, you're getting ads. Oh, my bad. I just paused them. I didn't know they were turned on. My bad. Chat, yesterday in the free Sunday Discord call, I don't know if you guys are in the Discord. Well, I know a lot of you are, but if you're not, we have a free call in the Discord every Sunday at 8 p.m. Now, yesterday we were discussing how this daily now could come down and make a bottom wick for the previous daily. Happened to these 2344 areas. And it looks like we might be doing that. And if we do that and then start to flip, then wow, that's going to be a really nice position. So that's something we can look at, you know, taking advantage of here if it forms. And yeah. Turn on those ads, get your cheese, bro. Nah, it doesn't even make that much bread, but nah, I'd rather you guys have a better viewing experience. I didn't know they were turned on, to be honest. What's good, Jan? How we doing, bro? Morning, team. Team trend lines, what's good? 10 minutes to 1 hour close. Can I get a quick top-down analysis? Yeah, we did a top-down analysis, like, not very long ago, but essentially, well, I'm bullish on the weekly and daily, okay? But I understand that we tapped into this level and we could come down here. We closed below this level at 2348.7. That'd be a range 2 breakout for me, and at that point I'd be able to take sales. Do we win the clash? Do we win the clan war? I haven't been on the game in ages. But that's fire. That's fire. Hey, yo, we did win it. GG's. G to the G's. Cool. What does SG stand for? It's my initials. Samuel Jokes. Or Sam Jokes. Yeah, it's just my initials. Or could stand for Sniper Gang, like 21 Savage says. Or What else could it stand for? I don't know. Something else. Something else. Cool chat. So we're locked in now. We're locked in now. Don't worry. So we got how long do we have? 10 minutes to this 1 hour closure right now. 10 minutes. If we can close below here, get some seller Roonies. Might be nice. That might be nice, but we'll have to wait and see how it forms. I'm conscious that we're starting to reject here. Now, that's fine, but we need to just make sure that we have a decent closure and a top wick. If we also close below here and start to close back above this range, then we can look at taking buys, and that will be the fake out, right? That would just be the fake out play. It's a very simple play, but yeah, that's what we will be looking for on that one. Let me just open my broker real quick, so I don't forget. I'm gonna bring it up on the screen, isn't it? Or is it? Oh, there it is. Right, cool. Cool, we're in business. We're in business, chat. Lock it in here. 9 minutes left. 9 minutos. Now, if you have any questions, feel free to fire away. I would say also, if you want to jump in on a trade with us, you're more than welcome to, obviously, as always. But if you do, you have to understand that it's your trade. I'm not responsible. And you have to manage risk appropriately. But yeah, let's start. Oh, shit. What's good, DK? What's good, man? How you doing? Yeah, let's see if we can start the week off nicely here. That'd be huge. Did OJ do it? You said ask any questions. Technically OJ didn't do it, right? Need that NFA disclaimer. Yeah, it's in the bio. Don't worry, it's in the caption for legal reasons. Yeah, technically OJ didn't do it, right? Another day, another 2 pips, keeping it chill, my guy. Yeah, always, bro. Always. 2 pips is what we're here for, right? Who cares about anything else? Anything above 2 pips is just greedy, to be honest. So many people right now are going to be like, fuck this guy. I'm leaving if he's only taking 2 pips. I'm joking. We don't actually only take 2 pips. Well, sometimes. By accident. Or like when we get PE. Some days I feel like going full margin on a 1 to 500 account. Yeah, I feel you. I saw an Instagram reel yesterday of some bloke trading news, and he had just buy stops, sell stops, and it won. It ended up winning. Like, it just drove down straight down to his profit target or whatever. But everyone in the comments was like, "Oh my god, that's so smart. Why have I never thought of this? I'm gonna trade news like this all the time now." I was like, "Oh no, oh no." That's why I would never post, like, even if I did full margin. Like, for example, that funded that I passed in an hour or 2 hours, sorry. I wouldn't really post it, because then people are gonna be like, "Oh, I can do this too," you know. But yeah, definitely not smart to trade news that way. What if it closes back into the range? If it closes back into the range now like this, there's nothing I can do. If it closes out and then back in, then we can look at taking buys. But I would need it to close out and then back in first, because then we'd have the fake out, right? At the minute, that wouldn't even be a fake out. Like this. and then you can go bottom wick and continuation upwards. That's what you'd look for with the fake out. Are we going to do a typical gold here and just drive without any top wick? Maybe. We're back. 5 minutes here though, chat. 5 minutes. Let's see what happens. Full margin for 2 pips is a week off if you think about it. It's either a week off or it's serious heartbreak. Yeah, either one or the other. They're going to find a new level of heartbreak if they're trading things like that. Yeah, bro, 100%. 100%. Anyone that trades news for the first time starts to see a next level of heartbreak. Chat, we just flipped on the hourly here. You just jinxed it? Yeah, maybe. Maybe. But that's interesting. I can't lie. Interesting. Espresso time. I like it. I like your style, Crypto Maniac. Gold doesn't really know what it wants to do here. It doesn't know if it wants to close below, if it doesn't know if it wants to fake out, it doesn't know if it wants to reverse or just hover. So if the market doesn't know where it wants to go, then how are we meant to know that? It needs to pick a direction, and once it does that, then we can jump on it. But if yeah, if it doesn't know where it wants to go, then we're not gonna be there. Gold tweaking, what's good? Level up? Yeah, I know, bro. I know. Maleko, good morning. How are you? Welcome back. Good SG, sitting in a lecture and listening to your stream. Hey, Noodle Host, that's good. That's commitment, man. That's commitment. Your teacher's going to ask you a question and she's going to be like, yeah, so what's the answer? And you're going to be like, oh, closure below. Closure below 2348. She was like, nah, I was talking about the science exam. I'm like, oh, you weren't talking about top wick and then a flip? Shit, my bad. Noodle Hots, take your headphones out and I'll shout something down the mic. Deal? Take your headphones out in the middle of the lecture and I'll literally I'll talk to your teacher. How many pips you catch from this? Yeah, trust me. And just be like, yeah, that's all well and good, sir, but what's your win rate on gold? Now we're like 100 people here. Yeah, that's perfect. Get them all in the stream, Noodle Holes. Then we'll have 199 rather than 99. I'm playing, bro. Enjoy your lecture. What's good, chat? What's good, Max? How you doing, man? Like the stream, appreciate you, Morgan. Yeah, chat, like the stream. Let's see if we can get to nice little 75 likes right here. That'd be huge. Gold busted and not too hard during Asia and might consider ranging at 2349 level A. Yeah, it might. If we can close below here in a minute. If we close below 2348.7, there's no reason for us to not continue down. Raphael, what's good? How you doing, man? Wagwan. Gold busting on that is wild. Yeah, that is a little bit wild. I can't lie, DK. Abuzinho, good morning. How you doing? Cigarettes are the key. Key to what, my friend? Unlocking your higher higher potential. Yeah, maybe. Okay, chat. 49 seconds. Are we going to close below here? It looks like we might. It looks like we might. But then again, we've been in, out, shake it all about, all around here. So I don't know. We'll see. That's what I meant. The classic hokey cokey there. My bad. Usually when gold plows through Asia and London consolidates and New York pumps, I don't know, just something I noticed. Yeah. No, I feel you on that. Obviously, it makes sense, right? I had to do a coaching course all last week in Berlin for Union Berlin. Hang on one sec. Let's see this closure. Okay. That's a horrible closure. Firstly, it closed at the level. Secondly, it made a bottom wick first. So we'll have to wait for the next 30-minute closure now. Let me get back to reading this. Had to do a coaching course all last week in Berlin for Union Berlin, but glad to be back trading, watching SG. Hey, let's go, Cardinal. Good stuff, man. Welcome back. Welcome back. Fuck Union Berlin. Uh-oh. What is Union Berlin? Oh, it's a football club. My bad. Wait, what? You coach for Union Berlin or what? You're like one of the coaches there? I thought it was, you meant the football club, but then I also thought a union like a I don't know, a workers' union. I don't know. Wait, you lost to Bochum? I have friends in Bochum. Closed below or? No, I didn't. It didn't. It closed at the level, right? If you have to start to zoom in to see whether it closed below or not, then you're kind of done for. But chat, this doesn't mean that this won't drive right now. It very well could, right? Just that the problem would be, you know, this area here. Hang on. Where are we looking? Yeah, this area here, right? Technically it closed below, but realistically, not really. And it came down and made a bottom wick first, so the advantage point is somewhat gone. You know, it's funny, I caught the sell on Friday at 23.71 on a wick entry, but I moved stops to be too quickly because of the news. I got scared and it wicked me out at entry. Now look where it's at. Well, yeah, firstly, you should never be managing your trade off of, you know, emotions. But I would also say that if it was close to news and you're managing a trade because news is coming, then that's never an L, right? Because realistically, think about it this way. You're in sales, what did you say, 23.71, okay? Up here. That is crazy, firstly. Secondly, what's saying that news didn't just, you know, spike all the way up and take your stop loss out? It could have just as easily done that as it did drive down, right? So I was saying this last week, but if you have FOMO because, you know, news drove in your direction after closing or whatever, it could have gone the opposite way. So just think about it that way. I think you made the right decision to manage, brother. I think you made the right decision. Closed below for me because my level was higher, but the bottom wick first was a deal breaker. Yeah. I don't have the mental capacity to translate German right now. Can you translate the trend? Can you analyze the trend of EURUSD, brother? Look at it quickly. Why not? I don't know. I'm typing it. I have it right here. We were looking at. I tell you, actually, what you need to do is you need to go and talk to Spion about that, because yesterday in the group call, Eugene came up with the idea of letting people in the group do their analysis in front of me and I'll check it, right? Spion did an absolutely banger analysis on EURUSD. I actually recorded it, so I could send the call in general, not just the analysis. I could put it on YouTube, but let's see. Dailies. Oh yeah, we looked at this, and the overall our consensus is that the weekly, daily, and 4 hour are bearish. looking to flip potentially. Well, the 4 hour wasn't at the time, it is now, I think. You have a level up here and a level down here. So essentially at the minute you're just stuck in a range, I would say. Actually probably even between, no, let's go here. Stuck in a range at the minute. I would say closures below here might be okay for continuation downwards. But realistically, anything below here, you're going to be safe to continue downwards. Hey, what's good, Creed? Good morning and good evening to the wonderful traders around the globe. May you all have a great day and great week ahead of you. Wishing you all the best. Good luck. Thank you, Creed. Appreciate the positivity, man, as always. I'm about to sneeze, chat, I can't lie. Nah, I wish. I just got my B license done for coaching. I used to play in the MLS, but now I trade and do coaching courses, plus help German players play in university in USA. Bro, what? You used to play in the MLS? That's crazy. That's sick, bro. Where'd you play? Oh, the USA thing too. I was gonna go to. I got a position at a college in America too, play football when I was younger, but I decided that realistically I probably wasn't gonna make it as a footballer, so I didn't go. But could have gone to. There was two. I think one of them was Florida State. I can't remember the other one because I used to play academy football in the UK. But yeah. You record any of the Sunday calls? Would love to watch. Yeah, I recorded yesterday's one, and I also recorded one of the paid calls. So I might just post them on YouTube, edit them up, you know, and then I'll send them to everyone in the Discord. Well, I sat on the bench, not really played. I played for Columbus Crew, bro. No, that's just to even get on the bench is next level. I don't think people really appreciate that. Like, even in the lower leagues, people that can even get in the squad means you're a great footballer. Defo compliance check the daily call ones. Trust me, I'll do a little due diligence on that one. Hello from Sweden. What's good, Cookie? How you doing? There's a massive dump on GJ today, but couldn't find any news that lined up with the time. Do you have any idea what it could have been from? What's good, Ron Weasley? What's good? So on GJ, I presume it's a Bank of Japan manipulation, right? Here, yeah, this will be the Bank of Japan. They keep manipulating and you know, affecting the currency. So whenever you this is actually not that big of one, so maybe it's not, but whenever you see a big spike down like this, or you know, yeah, stuff like this is and this, that's why the Bank of Japan, you know, or that is when the Bank of Japan starts manipulating. This is why I don't trade any JPY pairs anymore. My wife is German, and I heard you talking about that you used to play too. So I'm like, this is like my long lost brother. But keep the work. Great work, love what you do. I appreciate it, bro. Appreciate it. Yeah, man, that's weird. My obviously, yeah, my girl's German too, which is it's a mad coincidence, but crazy. German girls, eh? 20 minutes chat to this 30-minute closure. If we can get a strong bullish closure, then we should be good for a continuation upwards, especially having rejected off of the support level. We'll be looking to mirror this move here, and actually quite a lot of moves in the past, actually. Let me see. This move here and this move here as well. I say quite a lot, but 4. But that's a good play, so we can look to take that. But we just need that one closure. Bank of, yeah, BOJ intervention these days. I know, yeah, it's way too unpredictable. Realistically, if I was going to trade a JPY pair, sorry, I'd probably limit myself to only taking sells, just in case one day you're in a position. I was once in a position, chat, on USD JPY, and I closed the position in a profit, a small profit, and it was sells, and then a second later they did that intervention thing and it like went, I would have made so much money. Obviously nothing you can do, it's just random. I don't really like it. $20 though to this 30-minute closure. So the 1 hour's just opened up and grabbed the top wick. The reason why, you know, I can't take a position anticipating us to come back up is because at any given point this 1 hour could still flip and drive down like it looks like it might be doing here. So yeah, see what it does. Just donated all my troops and can't attack. What's your name in the Clash of Clans? This is the thing, right? It always gets to the point where I don't know anyone's names because people have different Discord names, YouTube names, and then Clash names. But I know everyone on here. Alright, cool. Ruin. Nice. Everyone's Clash name was definitely made in 2012. Yeah, 100%. Bro, people were paying like 2k gems just to change their name to something ridiculous as well. But chat, talking about, you know, trading and all that stuff, I'm trying out a new funded company right now. I'm going to be making a review on them, but essentially, there's this new funded company. They're not new, but new to me, I would say. And essentially, they're you can trade stocks and Forex on them, which is kind of cool. So I've been looking at trading with them. I'm going to try and see how it is first, and then give you guys a bit of a, you know, heads up. Obviously, I don't want to recommend anything to you guys if it's not quite there, but I think it should be. So yeah, can't log into my account though for some reason. Captain Nugs, that's crazy. Yeah, so the funded company is called Arctic Funding. I'll send the link in. You can check them out if you want. Obviously, no pressure or anything. I think they made me a code. Full disclosure, chat. The account they've given me that I'm testing out was a free account that they've given to me. So, full disclosure. But I think they've also made code SG. I'm not sure, but they look good so far. So check them out. And obviously, I'll do that full review. Let's watch iSpeed. Nah. I don't buy into any of that US culture with like streamers and all of that stuff. I don't buy it. I'm not not the biggest fan of that stuff. No longer using alpha. No, I am still using alpha. I am. Alpha's still good. So if you want to get alpha, that's good. This one though is it's also available to US clients, which is huge. And you can trade stocks there too. So if you wanted to trade like Tesla or something, you could. Have to look into for uni. See you tomorrow. Yeah, all good, Noodle Hot. See you in a bit. Bit of a rejection here, chat. Interesting. Interesting. $15 is closing in a minute just now. And the 30-minute got 16 minutes. If we close below again on the not again, but if we close below on the 30-minute, we can look at yeah, we can look at taking some positions off of that. I've been seeing some Arctic funding vids on Insta popping up. I used to follow one of the blokes involved with the company. Yeah, is it Nikolai? Nikolai? He's a good guy, to be fair. He's quite big on socials. Yeah, that's one seems pretty legit. Yeah, he's a good guy, man. He's a good guy. The team behind it are good as well. This is the thing. Before I ever tell you guys even about any fundeds or even any brokers or whatever. So I don't know if you guys know, but I've just changed broker over to Hero FX right now. But the point I was saying is, before I change or even tell you guys about anything, I always make sure that I know the team, know everything about the you know, the company that I'm going to be potentially working with, or even just, you know, not even if I'm not like working with them per se. If I'm going to tell you guys, you know, that's going to give them at least a little bit of promo, and I don't want to be putting you guys onto stuff that's not legit. So I always make sure that, you know, if I know about something or if I'm using something, I make sure I know the team and everyone behind it. Can you share some experiences, how you get to live stream and vlogging and all? I want to start streaming in my country, but don't know where to start. Good question, man. I was thinking about this the other day, chat. Would you guys like to see like content and videos on how I sort of gained a following on social media and streaming and everything? I can definitely do that. I think it could be interesting. But to answer your question, Min, start streaming and then just don't stop. If you wanna start streaming and you don't know where to start, as long as you've got a decent enough PC and decent enough internet, start streaming and just be consistent, and then you can't really lose. Backstory vid of Sam jokes would be crazy. There is one. There's one on my YouTube. My girl made one. She had like a project for uni or something, and she made it for me. And I just uploaded it because I thought it was sick. Let me find it for you. There is a backstory. Let me see. Copy. Gold's pushing here, chat. No FOMO. Yeah, that link I just sent in is a almost like a backstory video. I meant how you get to overcome fears and worries about what people will think about you before you start. Just honestly, no one cares. No one cares. And if they do care, then they're not a person that you should be worried about, right? Think about it this way. I don't have time right now to go and sit on someone's social media and say shit about them or even think shit about them. I don't really watch other people, and if I do, it's people that I like. So I'm not sitting there and being like, oh, this guy, like, oh my god, and actually wasting any time or energy on other people. So if someone's doing that and someone's, you know, saying anything, then they're someone that you shouldn't be worried about or care about. So just honestly, start creating content, be yourself, and be consistent, and don't care about what other people think. Any idea what the profit rate thing is? Is it a cap on how much you can make? What's that on? On Arctic? I don't think they have a cap. I don't know what that is. Lock in, chat. Yeah, we got 11 minutes here. Gold is pushing though, so hopefully we can get a decent closure like this. This would be good. I am conscious on the 30 there is a level here that we need to close below too. We're gonna take it off. Yeah, we're gonna take it off the 30. We still need to close below this 2347 area. So the one above is on the 1, and this one is the 2347 area. So for the 30. So as long as we close, actually, now that we've filled down even further, we're going to take a position on the 30. It's going to have to be below here. Look at this, chat. So you have so many rejection points, 23.47 here, 40, like here. And off of these areas as well. If you now have come down and tapped into this area twice, before nearly 3 times, I now can't take a position here because realistically, we could reject at any point here. Makes sense? If it was on the 1 minute, sorry, the 1 minute, the 1 hour, if it was on the 1 hour, we don't have these rejection areas, right? Because the 30, you know, didn't close like this, and the 1 is okay. So if we end up getting a position on the 1, I'll be okay to take these down, but on the 30, I'm not that interested right now. I think gold will break through that support level. We'll have to wait and see, right? I don't really predict levels, but yeah. Drop a like. Hey, what's good, Fazi? How you doing, man? How are you doing? Lots of potential here, though, chat. So lock in. Drop a like if you haven't already. And yeah, let's see what we can do here. Remember, it's a Monday. So, what I always say on a Monday, chat. Don't be ruining your week by breaking your plan on a Monday. If you break your plan on a Monday and take a loss, you're going to be pissed off or on tilt for the rest of the week. And yeah, it's not going to be good for you, right? So, what you need to do, stick to the plan. Make sure you maintain some level of, you know, discipline, psychology, all of that stuff. And yeah, lock it in. Nice, nice, nice. One sec, chat. My bad. I just had to type a message out real quick. I was getting spammed. Yeah, SG, how are you, mate? Did you have a nice weekend? What's good, Dan? Yeah, I had a good weekend, man. I was just, to be honest, working the entire weekend, which I'm not complaining about. I've recently realized that I'm at peace the most when I work, you know. So essentially, spent the whole weekend working, but loved it. I can't lie. And it sounds like one of those things that, you know, you see gurus, like Instagram gurus say or whatever. But it's actually, it becomes true. It becomes true at a point, and you start to, you know, just love what you do. Wake up every morning like, right, let's get shit done. And that's literally what I've got now. I don't know how, but I never used to be like that, chat. You know, now we just have the ability to just say, it's probably because I really enjoy what I do and I'm working for, you know, building something for myself and for you guys, I guess. But what I'm saying is you guys need to put yourselves in that position. Anyway, gang, enough of that. We're growing massively as a community. I wanted to say that real quick. Growing massively, and to be honest, I'm really grateful for you guys for that. I did say to you guys also, if we hit 4K subs by the end of May, I'd be giving away a shitload of funded accounts. Actually, no, I didn't say a shitload of funded accounts. I said it'd be a huge giveaway. So people said it could, you know, it could be a monitor, it could be, I don't know, it could be something crazy. It could be a trip, whatever. I'll let you guys decide closer to the time, but I think we could easily be on 4K by the end of May. What's good, Atomic Habit? How you doing, man? Luke, what's good? What's good? iPad. Yeah, iPads could be an iPad. Why not? A week in the palm giveaway. Yeah, bro, sure. It's a little 10 back. I'm not Iman Gadzi, bro. Not yet. Not yet, at least. Soon, chat. Soon. You know what I really want to do one day? I don't see anyone doing this, and I might be dropping some secret sauce for someone who's ahead of me to do this, but I want to start giving the guys in my group and the guys in the Discord that have been there for ages, so not necessarily just the paid group guys, but guys that I've seen in the Discord for ages, I want to do like big gifts, like, you know, like you see certain YouTubers do, like, you know, this is very far down the line, but like Rolexes or like, you know, whatever it would be. So yeah, I think I don't know, that'd be so sick in future. The goal of mine, at least. Let's say that. So Dan, what's good? How you doing? Yeah, grateful for you, sir. I appreciate your victory settings. What's good, bro? How you doing? Appreciate you, man. I did the same, mate. I finally worked out my entire trading plan and read a book for my mental health. Hey, let's go, bro. That's huge. That is absolutely huge. Yeah. So having like a set trading plan worked out is a game changer, like an absolute game changer. I think yeah, that's gonna help you massively. And then whatever the book was, hopefully it was good for your psychology. Hopefully it helped you figure some stuff out, unlock some next level of you know, zen. And yeah. Paid trading group giveaway. Yeah, I have a plan for the paid trading group. Some of the guys in there know, some of the people don't. But it's gonna be huge. It's gonna be huge. I can't give it away right now, but especially for the guys that have been there since the start. Well, not just, but I've got some huge ideas for that. Whoa, chat. I looked away for a second. That's a 1 minute candle. It's only 16 pips, but volume coming in here, chat. Hey, morning, mate. What are you looking for? Sorry for coming in late. What's good, PC? I'm looking for this 30 minutes to close below this blue line here. In about 3 minutes. If we can do that and form a top wick, I don't see why we wouldn't be good to continue downwards. Let me just see here. Let me just recheck. Why not? It's always good to be sure. I don't want to end up missing anything. I'm pretty sure I didn't. Yeah. We should be good. On the 30, let me change this out to a white line. Yeah, if we can close below this level here, on the 30, we should be good. I'm conscious that I've just seen us reject up here with this red line, but yeah. Yeah, I can come and chat again if you want. Bro, what's good, volume? But you're always spelling it with you're always spelling it the sus way. I'm not sure how I feel about that one. I'm not sure how I feel. This 5 came all the way down, nearly reflipped, and then came down again. Make it make sense, chat. Anyway, though, chat, stops are gonna be pretty decent. 35 pip stops. If you want it to be extra super safe, you could put your stops above the previous hourly. That'll give you 45 pips. It's still small. I think if, depending on how the top wick forms, we should be good for those 30 pip stops. That'd be crazy. 35 pips. But lock it in here, chat. So there's potential for a trade in 2 minutes. Potential for a trade in 2 minutes. Watch the viewer spike here. I've got a theory. We've got a theory that someone's I don't know, sending people in when I say there's a potential for a trade. Sometimes I feel sleepy in London session. Yeah, it depends. If you've been up for ages before, then yeah, that makes sense. Let's see though, chat. 1 minute here. Lock it in. Lock that in. Break-even point is going to be where? Realistically, might be a bit of a sticky one. Oh, let me delete this real quick. We have room to come down to this next range here at 23.43, right? Break-even point is going to probably be somewhere around here. Okay. Whoa, chat. If you guys just saw that. Okay, well, stops definitely aren't going to be 30 pips anymore, eh? And now 50 pips. Kind of crazy, chat, I can't lie. Should still be good for a position here, though, chat. I don't see why not. As long as we can close below properly, we should be good. 20 seconds here, though, chat. Lock it in. I don't like trading close to 4-hour close. Yeah, I feel you. If you don't like that, then don't. No way, chat. This is going to fill right now. Look at that. I literally said that's going to fill the moment it... And it's going to close no bottom wick, eh? Bro, what? Bro. Realistically, we have to sit and watch this drive. Like, what could I have done here? Nothing. There's no positions here whatsoever. Banks must have been watching the stream. Trust me. Whoever's trading in London right now in Canary Wharf. Fuck you guys. No, I'm joking. Happens every time, bro. Yeah, I know. But not this much, I would say. And also, we literally had 10 seconds, right? Till the 30 close, we were up here. 10 seconds, it broke the lows and just flipped, like, drove. But again, chat. Yeah, we are going to wait for the 4-hour close. And also, on my broker as well, no bottom wick. Now, you might be saying, yeah, there is a bottom wick, but not really, chat. 1 pips. 1 pip bottom wick. Interesting, chat. It's interesting. There's nothing we can do, right? Nothing we can do. So no FOMO or anything. None of that. It's just funny. We were very close to getting a position there. It just it doesn't like to let us get in first before it drives. But there was no way that we could have, you know, anticipated that or, you know, taken anything. I mean, essentially, yeah, it was the daily re-break of the lows. But still, there was no position there. Morning, Peter. What's good, bro? I was in at 23.53 and closed at 23.49. Closed due to the 4-hour resistance near there, and now it's smashed through it. Yeah, the daily rebroke its lows. So because of that, whenever the daily does that, you can end up, you know, having a drive like that. But the issue is that we can't take a position there unless we want to have daily stops, which are going to be over 200 pips. So I don't want to do that. Now the thing is, chat. Now the thing that we have to think about is, have we tapped into the level that we wanted to tap in? Remember, if you go back and watch the start of the stream, I discussed how we would probably need to tap into this 23.44 level if we were to come back up. Now the question is, do we start to reject here and flip, or do we continue downwards? The weekly and daily have now made a decent bottom wick. So I don't know, we're gonna have to wait and see on here, chat. I'm gonna be back in literally 2 seconds, so just give me a sec. I'll be back in a little bit. Yo, we back. You boys counting again, huh? I'm not even in on this counting joke. What's good, the chat? We're back. So coming up to this 4-hour close right now. What can we be looking for? This is an interesting one because we have a few little areas here that we need to pay attention of, but just crazy how we drove like this. And that very last 10 seconds of the 30-minute candle, we decided to drive like that, which is okay, right? But it's just, you know, not ideal. But we have no FOMO, of course. So in terms of the 4-hour, right, we can be looking at probably closures below 2342.9, 2343-ish. Should be a good level. If we can close below there, or even a closure below 2344.2 is not bad for the you know, continuation downwards. And then yeah, there's absolutely clean range down, and even until probably until actually I want to move this up. There's clean range until I would say around 2332. So what we can do here, chat, is we can wait for the 4-hour to close in about 20 minutes here. Once that happens, we'll try and get a top wick and a flip down for the continuation. But if we start to come back and, you know, end up closing outside of or back into the range that we've just come out of on the 1-hour, then what we can look to do is take a position upwards, right? Make sense, chat? Hopefully it does. We've got 20 minutes here, though, chat. So drop a like if you haven't already. Try to get to let's try to get to 100 likes. Why not? There's 140 of you in here. Appreciate you all very, very, very much. Big things to come in the community. So make sure you're in the Discord. Make sure you follow me on Twitter. All of that good stuff. And yeah, if you have any questions, drop them in the chat. Let's see that on the 1. What were our ranges? Let's see. Crazy how we just, you know, essentially retrace this entire move up from Friday evening. Friday morning. Got into the sales on the break of the 1-hour low. The 15 low, sorry. Nice. Here. Alright, man. Hopefully it goes well for you. Oh, let me delete this. So, if you wanted to look specifically at 1-hour ranges as well, it's going to be similar to the 4, right? 2344 overall is the level we'd like to close below in order to fill down. Now, if we were going to come even further down, on the 1, we're probably looking at, you know, a rejection around this area here at 2340 on the 1-hour range. Now, that could essentially be our break-even point on the 1. I'd be happy with that, and then we'd be looking at closures below around 2338.5 for the next sales. However, if we were to start to come up here, where can we grab buys from? I would say, realistically, any closures back above this area at 2344 could be a good fake out play. And then above that, 2348 is looking good to me, at least. If not, we can push it up a little bit higher. But yeah, those are the ranges that I'm looking at right now. Actually, no, we'll look even a little bit lower, 2346.3. If we come and close above there for buys, that'd be perfect. I'd be more than happy to take that. But obviously, we need to see how this 4-hour closes, how everything forms, and all of that stuff. So, 20 minutes, chat. Stick around there. I think there's a lot of potential for today. We've got the volume. We made the similar move to what we did last week. It's just whether or not it gives us an entry. Just pushing chat there. I can't believe it. Entry at 23.49. Hopefully it will tap 23.29. Bro's going for the 200 pipper. That's crazy. A big trade, my boy. A big, big trade. $200 pipperoonies, you know. We need trumpet guy to charm gold. Yeah, true, actually. He normally comes in around now. It's always on shuffle from the same spot, so I think it's... Let me try to find him. I don't remember what tune it is. Is it this one? Yeah, it is. It is. Crazy, you know, that tune's called Coffee and Cigarettes. That's the trader special, huh? He does go hard, I can't lie. You gotta give it to him. You have to give it to the trumpet guy. He does go hard on there. That's the German breakfast, yeah. So that is the European breakfast, actually. You're right. Or a Red Bull and a cigarette. That's probably more the British breakfast. Or no, a can of White Monster and a cigarette. That's the tradesman British breakfast right there. Yeah, I bought some new stuff for the setup too. I'm going to be getting, you know those light bars, LED light bars? I'm going to be taking out the lights. I don't like the way they look. Obviously, you can see the cable and everything. So I'm going to be getting them on either side. Proper YouTube video styley. It's going to be sick. I'm well excited. Well excited, man. I'm going to push my desk forward this way though, I think, so there's more space. B hit was an impulse, so as soon as it rebroke the lows, I moved stops to break even. Yeah, good play, man. Good play. I like it. I just found out about Marky B. I'm vibing. No way. Marky B, that's a crazy throwback. Bradford boy Marky B or what? Or the other guy? Isn't there an American Marky B? But if you're talking about the Bradford one, right? One of my mates at uni used to love like Bradford rap or whatever. It's so funny. It is so, yeah, British. Yeah, he's from Bradford. Bro, it's not the best music, I can't lie, but my mate used to listen to it in the gym. Damus, do you know 2 pips today? B on the current 15. Ah, it is what it is, man. It is what it is. For the daily and weekly, is this a very good bottom wick? Yeah, it is. It is. I think this would be a good area for us to start to reject on the daily here. But the question is, will gold actually respect that? Maybe not. We also might need to come down much further, so well, we'll see. I have noticed though that the weekly hasn't really been doing that bottom wick flip thing, or the daily either. I think we discussed this last week, but the higher time frame hasn't really been doing, yeah, making a bottom wick and then flipping. It just pushes and closes, and then the next one will just push and close. Like for example, this one and these candles here as well. Everyone thought the bottom wick was coming and for the flip, and it just closed. And then, you know, when we needed to come back up, instead of just making a bottom wick and flipping, we just drove up. Really weird. So could we be doing the same again? Maybe. I'm not too sure though. So yeah, we'll have to wait and see, chat. That range to the left looked too good. We'll take B, bro. The range to the left looked beautiful, especially below below the areas that we had from here. We had a clean range all the way down, but now, alas, 'tis not to be. What day in the week would you say is the best trading day? I don't really pay attention to any of that. I don't think there's any best days, worst days, any of that stuff. Each day in the market is different. Some days might be better than others, yes, but I don't particularly believe that, you know, Fridays are always better than Mondays or whatever. I think just trade when you can. And then if it's good, then stay on the charts. And if it's not, then get off the charts. That's what I'd say. 4-hour closure below 2342.9 would be sick. Yeah, that'd be ideal. But I do think that a closure below 2344 flat would you know, would be enough. Adapting to what price prints? Exactly that, Max. Exactly. But let's see the chat. 15 minutes. We look like we're gonna. Actually, I don't want to say any of that because 15 minutes is a long time. But it looks like we might have a closure below on the 4-hour in 15 minutes. So stay locked in. Still potential here. Obviously, again, I'm going to be on stream a little bit later today. As always. So we've got time, right? We've got time, but there's definitely potential. So stay locked in. If it breaks this low there, chat. If it breaks this low, then no FOMO. I have my margin level at 2343.17 on the 4-hour. Why did I say margin? Oh, the message above said margin. You ever do that, chat, where you like combine two messages? 23, yeah. Well, that's a level 2. All of these are decent levels, right? Just essentially how you see the market, but realistically on the 4, like you said, yeah, this level's clean. This level's clean. I also think a closure below this level is good enough. But yeah, realistically, the ideal closure would be below here. If you look at the 1 though, you can see that we'd be closing back into this range below 2344 as well. That's the cleanest level on the 1. So if we close back above there, that's where we'll get buyers, I think. Locking in that cardio and pips time. Hey, crazy. Bro, that's such a good idea. If you guys are doing cardio, just watch the stream and get on a treadmill. Like, if you have to do cardio for the day. That's what I would do. Actually, chat, should I get a treadmill and just stream whilst I'm walking? Could be fire, right? Up to the gym, catch you later. Yeah, in a bit, Max. Would be crazy. I know, it'd be so funny. Of course, mate, buy that thing. Yeah, maybe, we'll see. Hey, Mustafa, what's good? Welcome back. Welcome back. In drawdown on the treadmill, you might fall off. Yeah, or start running even quicker. Trying to catch up to the computer. Wandering trader, that's crazy. Fortune teller is back. Indeed. Yeah, drop a like if you haven't already. Let's try to get to 100 likes. I massively appreciate it. It really does help out. And obviously, all of this is free value, right? So all I ask in return is a little click of the like button. But nice. Definitely potential here. Stephen Marithi, what's good? Welcome. Gold going to 23.40 maybe. Ah, he's back. He's back with the predictions. Maybe. Maybe. What's good, Dreezy? How you doing, bro? Yeah, the maybe is huge. Chat, remember all three things that we need to be present, right? We need volume, we need direction, and we need liquidity. And a closure, obviously. But if we don't have all of those three things, then we can't get in the trade, right? Whoa. Oh my days. That was a hefty sneeze, chat, I can't lie. Oh. Wow. Any trade? No, not yet, Aniket, not yet. I'm in sales from 23.61. Bro, Mustafa's the guru, man. Get him on the stream, not me. 23.61, you know, he's sat floating 200 pips and he's just chilling. You need to start. You can take my place, Mustafa. Happy bless you. Thank you very much, man. Thank you. Let's see how we close those. 8 minutes here, chat. So lock it in. I'm gonna go open my window real quick. It's a bit hot. You are, bro, but you don't know that. What do you mean? What do you mean? Bro, bro. Nah, I'm just a little trader. Breaking the lows here again, chat. You might see a push here. You may see a push. I'm a pro. ... problem. Yeah, I like it. What are stops looking like now? This is the problem. 80 pip stops for the 1 hour, and for the 4 hour, it's gonna be like way over 100. 135 pip stops, chat. Sometimes we need to take some risk. Nothing comes in an easy way. You're very right, brother. You're very right. Risk is a good thing. Not taking risks is for poor people, right? You know, when people tell you that when people tell you, you know, don't do this, it's too risky, or oh, I don't want to risk it, or any of that stuff, you know that they're just, you know, 9 to 5, slave to the system, work all day, every day for no reason, right? If you don't take risks, you get nowhere. Look at all the richest people in the world and see all the risks they've taken, right? For example, Elon Musk created PayPal, right? Spent ages creating PayPal, sold it for a ridiculous amount. I think it was like 100 million he got from it, from his share. And he put all of that money back into Tesla, SpaceX, and I think the Boring Company. But he put all of it back in, every single penny. And then he had no money left. He had to like live on friends' couches. He had to live in the Tesla factory, right? And everyone would be like, "Oh, that's stupid," like whatever. But he took the risk, and look where he is now, right? So that's not a philosophy to go full margin, but you know what I mean? Sometimes you have to take that risk. For example, quitting your 9 to 5. You can always go back to a job, right? This is what most people... I don't know if they don't understand it or they don't think about it or whatever, but you can always go back to a job. I could go right now and get pretty much any job I wanted. But luckily I don't want to. I don't need to, right? But the point stands, chat, and people say as well that, like, you need to be profitable before you quit your job, and you need to do this before that, but why would you listen to other people? Everyone told me, even in the group that I used to trade in, right? I used to be in a group of traders. Even in that group, they told me, what are you doing, bro? You don't make enough from trading yet. Why are you quitting your job? All of this stuff. That, bro. Come on. Don't listen to other people. Don't let people tell you what you can and can't do. All of that shit is just boring. And they're small-minded people. Cool. Nice. Let's see the chat. We've got 2 minutes here. We seem to be starting to reject here, which is interesting. So the 30 is flipped. Can we look at taking an onion play here, chat? Maybe. Maybe. I think this 30 closes bullish like it is. Is the 1 hour also closing? But no, it's not, obviously. My bad. We can close bullish like this on the 30-minute. Get a bottom wick for the 4. Okay, so a bottom wick coming down. And then reflip. Once we reflip, that's going to be a good indication for me that we're going to either be making a 4-hour top wick, or, you know, we're starting to reject and continue upwards. So because of that, if we can do something like that, that'd be great. Otherwise, I don't think we can take any positions on the 4-hour for sales, because we aren't really closing below that level, right? The level was 2343.3, and we're not closing below it. This guy was winning too much, had to stop by. Hey, what's good, Green? How you doing, man? How you doing, broski? Hope you're blessed. Always winning, Green. Always. As we like to say, right? Winners win, losers lose. We don't lose around here. Losing is for losers, right? We either win or we have a lesson. Let's see the chat. 40 seconds here. Let's see. Last minute rejection yet again. In that case, can we close below? Or are we going to close just randomly at the level? Yeah, this price action is a little bit tough. Realistically, I would have liked it to close below here, but then at the same point, I think if we've closed below here, this area here at 2344.2 now. Come up first to grab a bottom wick too, a top wick too, sorry. The top wick is going to need to be bigger than this though. If we flip right now like we are looking like we might, I can't take that. Can't take that because that's only a 7 pip bottom wick, top wick. Why do I keep saying bottom wick? 7 pip top wick for a 4-hour candle is not enough. Okay, we'd be looking to come and grab liquidity from this area here, 2346.3. Yeah, around that area, that's probably perfect for us. 2346.6, 2346 areas roughly. We can come up there and grab liquidity and then flip. I'll be okay to take that position. At the minute though, there's nothing right now. I didn't mean to pin this. How do I undo it? Bro, won't let me undo this. I mean, what worked for you may not work for other people. Yeah, KP, KPRL. That's exactly what I said before I said that speech, right? Before I said that speech, I said, why would you listen to other people when it's your life? So that includes me in that, right? That includes me. I'm technically to you just another person. So why would you listen to me as well on decisions? Obviously, you can listen to me for advice, or you know, if you have a question you want to ask about anything, even life, trading advice, all that stuff, I'm happy to help. But in the final decision making, you are the master of your own destiny, right? You're the one who should be making that decision, whether you quit your job or not, or whether you move country or not, or whether you date this girl or not, right? You know, I know people that are like, oh, what do you think of this girl? Do you think she's the one? Do you think I should do this? I was like, and then you just think, do you think that? Can you make your own decisions? You know what I mean? Learn to make and trust your own decision making. That's huge. If you can't do that, then not the best. Indecisive equals death pit. Yeah, trust me. On the one, we came up and tapped the level that basically we have, right? Issue is, do we need a 4-hour top wick right now or not? Probably. Also a daily support where price is right now. I wouldn't say so. I wouldn't say so. If we're going to come down for a daily and especially a weekly bottom wick, we're going to come down to at least these areas down here. Oh, we've got room to come down to there. Eddie H, what's good, bro? What's good? You're at OG. What's good, man? Welcome back. What's good, Bedge? How you doing, man? What's good? What's good? Is 2342.9 a good level to break below? Where was that on? That was on the one, wasn't it? 2342. Yeah. Yeah, closure below there would be fire as well. That'd be an extra confirmation. But for me at the minute, if we can come up on this 4 and grab a big top wick, if you flip, there's no way you don't make a bottom wick. Or, I don't want to say that, that's not true, chat. There is obviously a way sometimes that you don't make a bottom wick. But if you come up and grab liquidity and then flip, you should be making that bottom wick at least to fill this wick, if not further. Yo, what's good, Geordie? All the goats in here right now. Wow. How's everyone doing? Chat, make sure you drop a like if you haven't already. Try it to 100 like Arunis. There's still potential here for the day. I'm going to stay till around 11:30, so, you know, an hour and a half more probably. I do think there's some good potential for us to grab something. So yeah, stay locked in. Stick around and yeah. Cool. Crazy, Fazo. Crazy. Just hovering here, chat. Just hovering. We like to make the move 10 seconds before the candle needs to close, as always, right? So, yeah, we'll have to wait and see here, chat. Oh, EURUSD is pushing. Wow. Might have to start trading EURUSD again, chat. Can't lie. Might have to start trading it again because looking pretty clean. 4-hour opener volume just drops off. Come on. It'll pick back up in about 20 minutes, I think. Remember what I said the other day? That 10:30-ish time. Huge for volume. So I think around that time we should be alright. Need to eat, bruv. Get some food then. Oh shit. Trumpet guy again. He's back. He does kill it though, I can't lie. The trumpet guy does kill it. Have fun, be safe. Thank you, still happy. Yeah, chat. So make sure, by the way, the new vlog will be coming out pretty much straight after stream, right? So go check that out. I'll send it into the Discord. And yeah, make sure you go watch that. Leave a like and comment when you do see it later on. Okay, we're looking like we might flip here. So, if we do flip, I might need to redo my analysis. Not redo it, but we'll have a different view on the market here that we need to be looking at. If it does flip, chat, no FOMO. This is a small bottom wick for a new 4-hour open. I can't be taking that right now. I cannot be taking that. So, yeah. Okay, thank you. Apparently gold listened, right? Apparently it listened. It just we say we need a bigger top wick and it comes up to make one. We come up to 2346 areas, 2346.3-ish, around these areas here, without making that bottom wick, and we do that, you know, relatively soon, we'll look at taking that wick entry. We'll look at taking that. That'd be a nice little position, I can't lie. Stops would be relatively big though, but still. I don't know, 80 pip stops, that's not too bad. Not too bad. Top wick 15 minute. Yeah. Yeah, it might be. We were somewhat hoping that... Okay, wait. Yeah, this 5 can still flip. We can still push up here. Mate, do you use any indicator? No, I don't. This one's just for the market sessions. It's not really an indicator. I just use it to show people stuff when I'm teaching. One SG won't be on a lot this week. Didn't realize I'm on a course all week. No trading for me. Hope you have a great week. Yeah, all good, man. Have a good week. Good luck with your course as well. Hungry. Hungry. Let's get some food after this. How long since you went to full timer? November, so December, January, February, March, April, May. 4 5 months, 5 6 months, sorry. 5 6 months. Been good. It's been good to me, I can't lie. Been good. Yeah, I definitely recommend it. You know, if you guys are getting close to reaching a level, you know, you're seeing consistent results and you're getting close to the area where you can now make a living for yourself, and you've got some money saved up, then I recommend taking the plunge. But you have to understand where you are at in the game before, you know, or you can end up doing that. What do you mean where we need a top wick to drive down? So we need a top wick to come up and grab liquidity, right? If this top wick comes up, that's us grabbing liquidity. When it then flips, like it looks like it will now, when it flips, that's, you know, an indication that we're going to drive down. So we grab the top wick is essentially liquidity grab. We need that to come up to around here before we could flip and take that position. But I can't take this right now. Remember seeing you on Donvo's stream and you got 100 pip run a day? Yeah, 100 pip runner, that was fire. That was a nice day. Obviously, it was a nice day. That sounds very self-explanatory, right? But you know what I mean. Yeah, we flipped here. I can't take this because the top wick is not big enough for me. Yeah, on the 4 hour, that top wick just was not big enough for me, unfortunately. Volume coming in here though, wow. Let's see, chat. Let's see what happens here. Either we need to come up and start closing back above this level, or we need to, you know, make some closures down back below these areas to the left here. That was the first time I knew it was possible to catch more than 10 pips. Hey, let's go, Remy. I'm glad to hear that, Remy season, man. Glad to hear I helped you understand that. Pips are a social construct, right? Kind of true, though. I think the key to everything, though, including trading, is just eliminating all external noise, right? you have to think about it this way. Everyone lives their own life, and you know, they're all, I don't know why people do this, but people love to share their opinion even if you don't ask for it, right? And they're going to tell you what you should do, what you shouldn't do, what they think you should do, what they think you're doing wrong. And that's, if you let that get in your head, it's going to affect your game, right? You let people say you need to take more pips, you need to take less pips, or whatever it is, it's going to really affect you. Really affect your mentality. It's going to get in your head and end up, you know, affecting your trading realistically. So you need to learn when to be able to just say, you know, I'm not listening to you. And that's a huge thing. I hate that shit, trust me, bro. But everyone seems to do it, especially in this industry. I don't know why. In trading as well, everyone thinks that they know what you should do more than you do. Just took 22.4 pips off a partial. Wait, I just took 4 pips partial after the gym WSG. Hey, let's go, bro. GG's. GG's. Have a good gym session, my boy. Let's see the chat. So we got 13 minutes here to the 30-minute closure. We can end up closing below at some point. Below this area here. Now down at, where are we looking here? Let me just pull this down here. 2343.1. Closure below there. Be absolutely chilling. That'll be a nice little position for us. Even on the 30, I'll be okay taking that, I believe. Hang on, let me check. Let me just check there's nothing in the way. Obviously, when you change down to the 30, you need to understand whether the 30 level is valid for that trade too. Yeah, I think it is. Perfect. The closure below there should be good. It's going to be, you know, another confirmation for us to continue downwards. But if we start to reject, then obviously we'll need to reevaluate. In terms of where we can get buys right now, it's going to be an interesting question, but I would say, zoom out a little bit. We're a bit zoomed in here. I would say we'd be looking at, let me check the hourly quickly. Probably the same level that we've got, can't lie. 23.46, yeah. Gonna be around there, 23.46 before we can get buys. We need a bit of an indication, unless we get an onion play, obviously, then that will be good. But in terms of a closure above, it's gonna be 23.46. Make sense, chat? Hopefully it does. Hopefully that does make sense to you guys. We just look right now as if we're, you know, we've made a push, and we look as if we're starting to, you know, be indecisive a little bit as to whether we want to continue down or not. You know, the volume's starting to die off a little bit. Well, it has died off, to be honest. Whether we pick up again is a different issue, but we've started to reject, form a little bit of structure. So because of that, we need to wait for some clear confirmations. This 1 minute, this 30-minute closure in 1 minute. Sorry, 10 minutes. My bad. Will do that for us. But yeah, just wait and see on that one. I became profitable when I realized trading is like a business. Have a plan and stick to it with the correct management. Yeah, exactly, man. You're essentially the CEO in your own dream, right? Change of character entry on the 5 minute. I don't trade that way, brother. If you trade that way, then you know, take it if it's there. But I don't trade that way. What's good, Ja? How we doing, bro? Welcome back. How you been, man? Hopefully good. Morning, thanks for replying on the homework on the free course. Looking forward to more videos. Hey, yeah, anytime, man. Apologies, it was a little bit late, but you smashed it. Oh, yeah, been in Crete, bro. How was that? I forgot about that. How was it? Hope it was great, man. Okay, chat, pushing here. Pushing here. Can we finally get a closure? Or are we just going to push and then retrace and then not get the closures? Yeah, we are. Mad. No 5-minute bottom wick. So, that's actually quite a good thing. I can't lie, chat. We now come up, flip and close above the level. I'd be definitely happy to take a little onion play coming up there, having grabbed this liquidity. But, again, it all hinges on this closure. You're on holiday too, right? Yeah, I went to Italy for 4 days or something for the weekend, just sort of spontaneously. But no, it was nice. It was nice. Watching from the gym. Hey, let's go. Let's go, Max. Bro is really dedicated. I like that. Do you need me to give you some motivation for your sets? You're like, yep, one more. Come on. One more push. Push, push, push. Crazy. Two birds, one stone. Exactly. You're working out the brain and your body all at once. What are the rest of you guys training today, though, chat? What are the rest of you looking to train? Pilates, nice. Apparently, I've heard that's really good for you. I've heard that's really good for you, I can't lie. Hit chest and back this morning was fire. Hey, let's go. GG's, man. GG's. Pushing, wow. Break the lows again, chat. We keep breaking the lows and then retracing. At some point, we're just going to have to break the lows and push. And is this the time? I don't know. The issue now is, chat, you don't want to get caught in the bottom of the move, right? I understand we don't try and catch tops and bottoms, but you don't want to, yeah, you don't want to get caught out. Yeah. Went to Pilates with my girl. That shit gets you shaking differently. That is a mad statement, but I know what you mean. I know what you mean. Trading Nutcase, what's good? Welcome back, bro. Long time no see. Legs, nice. Good stuff. Back and bicep day, resting and stretching. Fire. Yeah, I think I might take a rest day too. I think I might do that too. Question is now, chat. If we get sales here, can we use the 30-minute stops? Potentially, if it forms right. Potentially. Been lurking every stream lately. Nah, you're all good, man. You're all good. What is a plus setup? What is A plus setup? Like, what is the difference between A plus setup with same close below support for sell? To make a setup A plus, we need, clean closures, clean traffic like we have here. And then we just need liquidity to be grabbed, top wicks in the form of, top wicks, or at least pushes back up. And then we need volume, and that's it. That's all we need. Chat, I'm not sure why we keep breaking these lows and we haven't driven yet. Okay, chat, the 30-minute closes in 4 minutes, so lock it in a little bit here. Now's not the time to dip off. I just saw a couple people jump off, but if you want to try and catch them, now's the time to stick around. I'm going to be back in literally 2 seconds. Someone at my door right now. I just got a notification on the doorbell. 1 sec. Yo, we back. Whoa, we're pushing. What's going on, man? Let's see, chat. We've got 3 minutes disclosure. Can we just get a nice closure for once, eh? I'm playing. Let's see though. Let's see what happens. This could be interesting. Two minutes. Is it going to push the whole range before we can even get a position? I hope not. I sincerely hope not. Let's see though. Should be good to push. Should be good to push down here though, chat. Again though, no entry that we could have had, right? Absolutely no entry. This was our support. We closed above it. Yeah. Jake Leach was good. Looks like it's reacting off the 0.5 fib level. So much potential below. I don't use fibs, but yeah, maybe. It needs a pullback to continue going down. Thanks, Mustafa. Mustafa carrying, not gonna lie. Yeah, he actually is carrying us. I can't lie. I wouldn't be able to stream without this guy. He told us it was going to 2340 earlier. He did, maybe. Active trust. Trust, bruv. I hated that. Let's see, chat. Uno minuto. Pour la closure. Sound like any Brit that goes on holiday to Spain. Let's see the chat. Lock it in here. 40 seconds. Come on. I'm carefully watching these levels here too, chat, in case you don't know what I'm doing. I think we got clean range though. Stops are going to be 35 pips. It's very, very much not bad. Have a chart. I can send you a picture of it if you want to see it. Yeah, there's a section in the Discord, Mustafa. Charts for stream. Send it in there. Okay, chat. We're closed here. Let's see. Can we grab a top wick first? Oh wait, I've lost it. Crazy. Yeah, survey says no. I broke the lows. Hang on, chat. Maybe if we zoom in far enough. Maybe. Nah, no top wick. Just have to check. Hang on. Oh shit, no, there is. Yeah, chat, that's tough. All jokes aside. Didn't check close enough. Ah, that's what it is. Yeah, you're right. Oh, I think there is one. Yeah. Nah, chat. So, I'm not going to call it a day yet. We're going to wait for the hourly closure. If it doesn't happen by the hourly closure, then we will call it. That is price action to the max here. I'm going to sneeze. What a call out, chat. What a call out. Just any consolidation, GU did the same. Classic. I wonder if EU did the same. Oh no, it didn't. What time did you say PM session's from? PM session in America is probably like, but our UK time, I think it's like 5. No, 6? 5 or 6, something like that. What are you on about? That is one of the biggest top wicks I've ever seen. Yeah, trust me. Trust me. TP if you sell. Okay, Saddam. Get your TP then, G. This might have been one of those days where we just should have closed our eyes and sold, but obviously we're not actually going to do that because we're proper traders. Okay. The 1 hour also pretty much closed on the level. I didn't realize that. And then yeah, we have room down to 23.36 right now. After that, we'd need to close below it or start to reject. But I'm not in Discord. In Discord, I send the picture. Are you in Discord or not in the Discord? Yeah, you gotta verify first before you send it in, but I've verified you just there. Is this you, Mustafa? I don't know what to say, bro. I don't know all the indicators, I can't lie. Indicators don't really work. But at the same point, if it's working for you, then it's working for you, right? It's completely different to our strategy, so I can't say if it's good or not, but where's my thing? Oh, here we are. Hey chat, so we're driving right now. Considering that you get 10 plus pushes of 10 plus pips when you break the daily highs or lows, what are the risks of setting buy sell stops there with 10 pip TP and 50 pip stop loss? Good question. Maybe that's something that you need to sample size, like test it out basically. That could be something that works for you. So test it out over a long period of time. And if it works, then keep doing it. But I'm not sure how reliable it would be. It might work. But yeah, I like your theory because realistically, every time you break the lows, you do get a push of at least 10 pips. I did it on a demo for a month. So far, all wins. Crazy. Nice, man. We're in one of these periods right now, chat, where London session is obviously just a little bit difficult for us. Well, not for us, but in general, right? We actually got no opportunities in this entire push down. Now, that's fine. There's no FOMO or anything. We can watch that happen, but it's just part of the game, right? And I want you guys to understand that, you know, some weeks we'll get a trade every day. Some days we won't get a trade for a whole week. Obviously, last week we got like 3-4 trades, but yeah. We do have pretty clean range down here to fill to 23.36. So, hey, yo, how do I get rid of that? Right, brilliant. There's the real trumpet guy. The other two were only putting in light work. Yeah, this guy's the real. Or maybe it was the same guy, but warming up. Hey, yo, what? The 30 just flipped like in a second. I didn't actually flip it, but it came up to the flip. $34 Mustafa says maybe. I don't know. Maybe. But yeah, chat, there's still some potential here. So what we're gonna do is there's 21 minutes to this 1 hour close right now. I'm gonna wait for that, see how it closes. If there's potential for a position, then we'll be looking at taking it, obviously. If not, we'll play some pixel letters and we'll jump off. But I still think that, you know, that as long as we're patient, we'll get that opportunity. I don't know if you guys remember, if you were here for it, but about a month ago, there was a stream where we were looking for the same trade over and over again, and it kept not presenting itself, right? We looked on the 15, it didn't present itself. 30 didn't present itself. The 1, it didn't present itself. Then the next one, the exact trade that we wanted, played out, and we got that push. And I think that was when we got a decent, like, 35, 40 pips. So because of that, you know, that teaches us that we need to remain patient and we need to stick to the plan. Not try and force anything by taking, you know, like a 5-minute flip or a 15-minute flip or whatever. We're going to wait for the plan, stick to the plan, and execute it. So, yeah. Just be patient, guys. It's Monday. It's Monday. You have so much time to get a trade this week. So much time. You have your personal journal available. Yeah, you just type record, Max. Exclamation mark record. That's the journal of all the trades that I've taken since I started streaming. How to avoid greed if high probability prints again. You're all good, Max, don't worry. Avoid greed if a high probability prints. Just take the same, manage risk the same way each trade. So you should firstly only be taking high probability setups. So you shouldn't be like over risking more just because you think the setup is higher probability. Secondly, you know, manage risk off of price action rather than anything else, right? If you see stuff that starts to indicate to you that, you know, direction might change or you should be taking profit, then take profit. Just manage risk off of price always, and yeah, you'll be fine. How do you overcome greed with payouts? I've never had a problem with greed ever. I've always had the opposite problem, right? I've always been too conservative with sort of, you know, payouts, profit, all that stuff. So I'm not really the guy to ask how to overcome greed, but essentially I always think that little and often is way better than, you know, trying to go for a Hail Mary. Especially with props. Like, props are out there to make you get greedy. They're out there to make you fail. So, you know, you gotta be careful. Take your money and run. It's like I don't know if you guys have ever listened to Dana White talk about the casino. It's a similar principle, right? Dana White in the casino, once he gets a win, he's gone. Because he's there to make money and not to, you know, have fun or whatever. Now, in a casino, I don't know if you know the statistics, but the longer you stay in the casino, the bigger opportunity you have to lose. So even if you're playing smaller hands, but more often, you lose more money the longer you stay in. So the principle of that is get your win and get out. Same in trading. Get your win and dip. Why is that over there like that? But yeah, get your win and take your payout, and then you can rinse and repeat, right? That's the great thing about props. It's not as if now, after you take your payout, you've got a smaller account. The account stays the same size. You can do the same risk. So there's absolutely no point in trying to compound on props. On a live account, yes, I understand that, you know, let's say you've got a 10k account and you run it up 15k. You don't want to run it up to 15k. You don't want to take out that 5 grand because then you have to go back to managing risk at a 10k account size. So, you know, obviously as you increase your size on a personal, you can risk more and then in turn make more. But on a prop firm, if you have a 200k payout, 200k account, you make 2k, the risk is still the same as if you take the payout and then trade again the next week. You can still make the same amount of money. So you don't need to compound. Just a game of patience. Just take that payout and leave. Make sense? Appreciate that. Blew a couple of fundeds that were up and went on tilt. Yeah, I feel you, bro. I feel you. Were they live as well? If they were, man, just get to 1% and secure that refund and then keep trading. That's what I'd say. Failed 3 accounts on phase 2. I feel like I do better with my own money. Yeah, of course you do. Of course you do. The prop game is designed for you to fail. Same as a casino. So yeah, of course you do better with your own money. I mean, realistically, the end goal is to get on your own capital, right? If you're a proper trader, that is. The funny thing that I see is these guys that run up prop firms, right? They get huge prop firm payouts. They don't have big personal accounts because they can't trade a personal account. That makes sense. Like, I saw someone on Twitter get called out the other day because they got challenged. They were a prop firm trader. They got challenged to do a personal account, and they were like, yeah, okay, put it on my FX book, and had to delete the my FX book like the same week. Because realistically, you know what happened there is that they just full margined and then blew the account, and then they were like, oh shit, right? Because that's what most of these big prop traders do. They just gamble, or like not gamble, but they just full margin. So, you know, if you can do well on a personal account, then your longevity in this game is going to be way better than someone who can run up quick payouts on a prop firm. Trust me. Trust me, trust me, trust me. But yeah, chat, we got 13 minutes to this 1 hour close now, so stay locked in. A lot of potential here, and yeah, we're gonna see how we close here. If we close around this area, that'd be nice. Close around this area, get a nice little top wick and a flip. Hopefully the volume comes in. Yeah, we'll be good. Backs on the just get that refund. Yeah, 100%. The refund's the biggest part, right? Once you got the refund, it's house money. What's good though, Traderholic? What's good, Hasni, as well? Do you look at anything else other than gold? Yeah, I'm looking at US30, and I used to trade EURUSD, but I stopped recently. So, at the minute though, I only really trade gold. Yeah. How much capital do you think you need to trade with? Depends if you're talking personal or like, you know, prop. But personal capital, I think like, it depends. 20k, if you want to do full time, 20k probably. And if you want to risk appropriately too. Prop capital, maybe 1 million. 500k. That's what I'd say. But obviously you can do it with less, right? You can do it with 10k personal, you can do it with 5k personal. It's just, you know, I'm thinking here about steady and consistent income over time, right? So you got to think, how much are you going to be making on a 10k account? Or a 5k account, let's say. You make 10% in a month, which is good. You make $500 or £500, right? A little bit tough. If you make 10% on a 10k account, then you're looking at, you know, a grand a month, right? Which is a good salary if you have, you know, another source of income, maybe a different side hustle or whatever. And then obviously it increases as the size increases. But yeah, I'd say somewhere around that area. 5 figures. Realistically though, the goal is to get 6 figures, 7 figures of personal trading capital, and then risk 0.5%. Even less, maybe. Think about this. If you've got, you know, if you've got 100k in capital, you risk 1%, and you get like a 1-to-1 IRR, or even a 0.5 to 1 IRR, you're making $500 a day, £500 a day, off of a 0.5% increase. You know? That's pretty much the aim of the game. Same with props as well. You get 1 million in prop funding and you make 1%. What's that, 10k? Not bad. Truly not bad. I'm seeing it. He's seeing it. Mr. Eugene is seeing it. Yeah, but chat, huge stuff coming. So make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you're in the Discord if you're not already. And make sure you stay subscribed if you're new, because I've got so much new content coming out. The quality is going to be ridiculous, and the value too, the education, all that sort of stuff. So make sure you stick around. And yeah, make sure you're also joining the free calls on Sunday and everything, because realistically, I want you guys to achieve your dreams too, to get to the top level with me. And I don't want to be doing it alone, right? So this is why I'm providing this platform, and I hope you guys can achieve greatness with me as well. That's the end goal, right? The end goal is for us to have a community and a family where everyone's succeeding. Imagine like a year's time, 2 years time, whatever. I spoke about this in my new vlog, but not the one coming out, but one of them that I've recorded. Imagine yourself in like 1, 2, 3 years time. The potential is huge. So if you just stick to the long-term, plan, if you stick to the program, let's say, and trust the process, then you'll be there. And I feel like you guys are in the right place to do that. W Streamer A, appreciate you boys. Appreciate that. Content going crazy, yes sir. Question is Mustafa seeing it? That is the question. I think he sees it. He said 23.34 earlier, so maybe we need to extend our TP. Maybe. Yeah. Damn SG, if only that previous 1 hour closed a tiny wee bit lower on that closure. Easy entry. I know, bro. I know. Issue also was that the 4 hour didn't really make that big of a top wick though. That's something else I was concerned with. Still a little bit in the back of my mind, but this is why the 1 hour closure is probably key for that. 7 minutes though. The wick fill also I think is going to give us around 17 pips. Bro, what a guess. Exactly 17 pips. So that's a decent advantage point for us if we close like we are right now. We have to wait and see though. I have no cigarettes. I need to go buy and come back. Or quit smoking, my boy. Guy's a true trader, He could be on the desk at Wall Street. Never quit. Never quit is crazy. To be fair, yeah, quitting is for losers, so I suppose keep pushing, eh? At the 30 minutes decided again to flip in the last second. Last couple of minutes. Ever since taking natural test, I've craved them. Yeah? I've stopped. In fact, maybe start smoking a bit more. Progressive overload, right? Progressive overload. I like that. That's funny. In fact, get 2 packs. In fact, give me a pack. No, it's like when you were back in school and if you tried to sneak food in school and the teacher goes, "Did you bring enough for the rest of us?" Mustafa's got to do that with his cigarettes. Did you bring enough cigarettes for the rest of us, Mustafa? Yes. Okay, hand them out. Since birth. I need to start making more reels like that. They popped off. They absolutely popped off. One of them's got 2.3 million views on Instagram. It's kind of crazy. Quit cigarettes, start smoking crack, be a man. Hey, Rakus, what's good? Bro, I love those Instagram things. The be a man guy on Instagram is so funny. Or on TikTok or YouTube, wherever he is. Be a man. I heard if you smoke cigarettes while trading, you pip it up. Chat, imagine the feeling of hitting TP while smoking a cigarette. That would be next level, you can't lie. Okay, chat, 4 minutes here. Make sure you're locked in right now. Decent closure if we close like this. Hopefully we can close exactly like this or somewhere around this area and then get a top wick and a flip and then we'll be in there. Bro, why are you here tempting me to get back into smoking? Yo, my bad. Don't smoke. I don't smoke, so you guys shouldn't smoke. Sorry, Saxy. It's just sarcasm. If I start streaming PM session, bare cigarettes. Trust me. I'm gonna start again. Eugene. Don't. Looking clean to the downside. This current 15-minute candle created a top wick for the last one. Very interesting. Yeah, 100%. That might be why we drive without, you know, top. Okay, there you go. See, broke that low now. So, whose theory was it to have a sell stop on the break of the low? I can't remember. Had an idea for a nicotine supplement, so you get the testosterone boost, but it's healthy. Don't know how it'd work though. It's called Zin's Cryptomaniac or nicotine gum. That very much exists. It's nuts. I used to do snus when I worked at the law firm, but nicotine makes me lazy. Did it hit 23.34? How are you asking that? No. Hang on, wait. Yeah, it did, bro. You missed it. Look at that. You missed it, bro. Tough. Better luck next time. I'm playing. Chilling. Crazy tap, I know. Right on the level here. It will hit 34 after a top wick, maybe. Yeah, maybe. Chat, are we going to drive in the last minute again like we did before? I really do have a feeling that we might just do it again. Hopefully not though. 1 minute here. Lock it in. Lock it in, chat. Big potential. So if it pushes on the last 10 seconds of the candle closure again, I'm done for the day. Yeah, me too, bro. I can't lie. At least done for London session. Imagine, chat. Imagine it realistically could as well. Apparently we're frozen in time right now. $23.28 maybes. Classic. Okay, good. We're starting to pull back here. Can we just continue that pullback and that forms into then a top wick? Top wickaroony. Let's see, chat. Let's see. This is going to give us this. The 1 hour closed here, chat. We closed below, which is good. We closed below the most important levels. Right, over here. These are the levels I was looking at quickly. Yeah, the 1 hour closed. So, can we come up and grab a top wick? At the minute, the answer has been no. But that doesn't mean it will always be no. It's starting to... The volume's died off a little bit, chat, I can't lie. But if it can pick up, we might be able to make... I'll just start smashing stuff up. Just bah, bah, bah. Chat, it is what it is, right? It is what it is. Please, sir, can I have a top wick? What? I've gone insane sometimes. Okay, we're pushing up here. We actually didn't break the lows. So if we can come up now and make a decent top wick and re-break those lows, I'll be happy to take a position there. I'll be happy to take that. So we're coming up now. We can come up a little bit further. That'd be ideal. Where would we be looking? Somewhere around 2341.4. Yeah, tap into that area might be nice. Maybe even a little bit higher up here would be great, but I don't think we're going to get that. We came up now, though. Break the highs a couple more times, make a good top wick, and then re-break the lows. Or is this where we start to pull back, and you know the move is over? Who knows? Have to wait and see on that one, right? Yo, Eugene, are you seeing these messages get spammed into that group chat? I swear like 800's happened all at once. I don't know how he sent them that fast. Took my seal at 7 AM to 23.45. Nice first trade. Nice little trade. Hey, GG's, bro. Good stuff. Bro, 62 messages in like a second. He must have been spamming that button. I feel like you guys could just clip some of these funny moments. Not funny moments, but moments where I say stupid shit and it get crazy. Clips channel. Okay, chat, we came up here. We can start to flip and break that low, then we'll put a sell stop on the break of that low. I'm not going to put it on yet, but we can start to flip now. That would be a valid play. So let's see. Mr. Middleman provides. He does indeed. Question is, chat, is this where we start to retrace now? Or is this just a pullback to grab more liquidity to come down and fill the rest of the range? I don't see why we wouldn't fill the rest of the range right now. There's nothing telling me, oh, look, there's a big rejection area right here. Like, you know. Apart from maybe this, actually. Maybe. I don't think so, though, because every time we came down anyway. Yo, I accidentally just full screen. How do I get out of that? Oh, there you go. Hey, chat, we're coming down here. Coming down towards the flip. Let's see, if we can break these lows, then we'll have a sell stop there. Or if we can, you know, flip here. If we flip, I'll place a sell stop on the break of the lows. I'm not going to place it yet, just so that, you know. You know. Stops would end up being around 50 pips, I think. I think it's 50 pips on the dot. Yeah, it is exactly 50 pips. Break of the current lows. Yeah, that's what it would be, yeah. Break of those current lows. Okay, chat. So lock it in here. There's potential. Potential. Unless that was just a 5. Yeah. We'll see. Need the volume to come in though. When we come down here, why not place it right now? Yeah, we can do. I just, you know, I don't want to have to delete. Yeah, okay, chat. You know what? I'm going to place a sell stop right here on the break of this current candle low right now. If it comes down and flips, give yourself a little bit of room. But if it comes down and breaks that low, then you should be good to continue to fill this range. Now, remember, if you take the trade, it's your trade, right? I'm not responsible for any trades that you take. I know, obviously, I'm the one who's getting in it, but it's, at the end of the day, it's my trade. And then if you take it, it's your trade. That's essentially how it works. Now, it's going to not be the highest IRR trade in the world, but part of the game. And yeah, let's see what happens here. I'm going to do this, and we're going to go sell stop, not activated. Perfect. Chat, I'll be back in 2 secs. Hopefully we get activated. Are we activated? Nah, we're not activated. We're not activated. These guys and the accounting, man. Okay, let's see. Starting to form a little bit of structure here on the 5. Could be interesting. Where did you base the 2336 level at? That is based off of the 1. Okay, wait, 1 second. This is not for a closure below. Oh, I actually put closure below, my bad. It was based off of where we could get sells to, but essentially it's this level here. Oh no, it was closures below. Yeah. So there's various rejection areas at this level, right? You have a rejection area here, where you're rejecting off it there, here as well, and here, and yeah. Just place a line under the candle low, so no one misunderstood until... Just place a line under the candle low, so no one's misunderstood until you get activated. Bro, there's one right here. There's one right there. We just rebroke the highs though, which is interesting. Coming up to the 4-hour potential flip. So the other option is, if this 4-hour flips and we end up getting a closure back above the level, then we'll delete sells and we'll look straight for buys. Because for all we know, this could be the level where we start to reject and come up off of now. I would have said it would be a little bit lower since we've done that in the past and we've always come down and tapped around 23.34. Mad, 23.34, so Mustafa's analysis aligns with ours. This guy might be the GOAT. He might be. But yeah, so just remember, chat, manage risk appropriately. And yeah, we'll target this 2334 area. There you go. Pradeep, what's good, bro? How you doing? Welcome back. He's calling JP to pump it down to TP. Yeah, trust me. Everyone get on the phone with Jerome Powell right now. But yeah, so a lot of potential here. If we don't, you know, flip and break the lows here, then we'll, you know, we'll obviously delete. But we can look for buys if we end up closing back above. I managed to get about 60 pips on the way down. I don't know why you didn't take the sell. The sell wasn't in our plan, brother. The other day you deleted sell stop at the 2308 after the break of the high. Why? After that the market went down. Yeah, that wasn't because of the break of the 5 high. We just started to make structure, and I didn't like the movement, right? We started to make higher highs and higher lows, and then for some reason the market just drove down. So realistically, just something that I wasn't interested in taking, and then we just did something like this and drove, which is not normal, but I mean, it's part of the game. Maybe I, you know, didn't explain it right on the day, but I deleted for a reason, and I'm okay with that decision, essentially. Pushing up here, though, guys. Bro, I smashed my glass of cola over my keyboard. Rip me. Oh, yeah, bro, that's tough. That is really tough. Coke as well, you know, it's going to be all sticky everywhere. Not ideal. Chat, literally, we had the free Sunday call in the Discord yesterday, and as I was trying to join, I had like a bottle like this, like a big bottle of sparkling water, and as I was trying to join, I spilled it all over my like desk and keyboard and myself. I was like, bro. Coke in organs, Kyla. Yeah, Coke's probably not the best drink to drink, but I don't know. There's worse things to do. There's worse things. That's why you don't have Coke in a glass. Get a bag instead. Crazy. Chat, 15 close here coming in about a minute and 50 seconds. See what that does. It could be interesting. But we have come up now, and we've made a top wick for the previous 30. Okay. So, you know, if we were gonna, you know, flip, it would be around this area, I'd say. If we flip and break these lows, I don't see why we wouldn't continue down. At the same point, if we start to come and close back above this level, then obviously the trade becomes invalid, and we'll look at taking buys instead. Makes sense? It can go like one of two ways at the minute, chat. Obviously, buys or sells, but you understand what I mean. There's not it's not as if we're definitely not looking for buys and we're only looking for sells. You know. $15 onion buy. Nah. It's too close to the level for me. You've now only got like 15, 16 pips until you tap this big resistance level here, right? 14 pips. I'm mad at guessing pips by eye. But yeah, what was I saying? 15 onion is not something I'd want to take, especially with the 1 hour closing as bearish as it was, and we haven't even broken out of a range to the upside yet. So all of that indicates to me that, you know, if you take a 15 onion right now, yeah, it could work and it could play out, but you could also just be getting caught in that lower high to continue down. Understand? That's going into a different direction, yeah, massively. Behave, I'm no sniffer. Can't even read what Callum said after that. Crazy. Glue, you know, that's a throwback. That's an old one. Drink meth. Can you even drink meth? Dissolve it in something? Yeah, probably. What do you expect us to do with all this trading money? True say. $14 minutes though, chat. If the 30 starts to close like this, then we'll probably delete the sell stop. We just have to wait and see how that forms though. Wait and see how it forms, right? Where's my chat? I've lost you guys. I've lost you guys. Oh, you're back, you're back, you're back. Bro, Tyler, none of that. I was about to be like, oh, you're the GOAT, but none of that. Yeah, it's pretty chalk today, not gonna lie. Yeah, it is. We had too much, I tell you. Maybe. 4-hour flips coming. Based on what I've seen so far, late London volume starts to die out or range. Early London, you get trades. I've seen the opposite, to be honest. Well, I've seen both, to be honest, but 11:30 is still decent volume. I mean, we've literally just pumped up like 30 pips in one candle. But yeah, it depends. It just does depend. Always made a loss with onion. That's not good, bro. I think the onion is one of my most profitable setups, so maybe you're finding invalid onions. I'm not sure though, bro. $10 minutes to 30 close, chat. This flips, it should drive? Yeah, it should. It should. Still looks like it will come down. Maybe. Yeah, we have to wait and see here. If the 4 flips and we get a closure above, that's going to be a big confirmation for us, right? So if I don't send that in on stream, I'll send it in the Discord. So if we don't take it on stream, I'll send it in the Discord. So make sure you're in there, but it might be at 12 o'clock. I'm not sure, to be honest, but we have to wait and see here. Most often when we've top wicks when we've closed below here is 43 to 45. Yeah, I saw that. I saw that. The only concern with that is obviously we made the bottom wick first, so think of that what you will, right? But guys, this team and this family as a community is growing like crazy. I appreciate all of your support massively. We are definitely the least toxic trading community out there. I don't think we've had really any hate recently or anything really negative in here. So if you are new, welcome. You joined the right place. Make sure you subscribe and drop a like, all that good stuff. Try to get to 150 likes right now if you can. That'd be massive. Much appreciated. And yeah, we're wow. Time to push here. 15 flipped. That one guy on Friday. Yeah, I know, level up. I know. You don't have to point it out. It's all good. But yeah, chat, there's so much coming. So what I was trying to say before I saw this price pushing was that stay tuned. I want to get you guys involved personally on all the content and everything as well. So what I'm gonna do is I'm working on some stuff right now. Gonna help you guys elevate your game alongside with me, and yeah, there's just so much coming. I'm gonna provide way more value for you guys than we already are. There's already a huge amount of free value, but it's nothing yet, chat. It's absolutely nothing. Wait till you see what we've got planned. Big stuff. Gassed. Hi, I'm new and I'm Callum and I like fruit pastels. Yeah, fair enough. I have a very strong feeling here that Tyler and Callum, you guys are gonna get along very well. Oh, you probably know each other, innit? That might be the case. That might be the case. That would make more sense as well. Set my owl on you, crazy. Pushing down here, so the 15 just broke its own lows. Who knows? Maybe instead of that wick fill, we'll get instead of the break of the lows, we might end up grabbing that 15-minute onion play. That's another opportunity. What do you do at the weekend then, SG? Bro, that's a very funny question because the vlog that I've got coming out today is called What a Full-Time Trader Does on the Weekend. But realistically, most of the time I spend it making videos, getting in calls, meetings with people, talking to companies, working out, and just working on general stuff. That's pretty much it. Pretty full-time, I can't lie. Pretty full-time. Fish cannon is crazy. Is the sell stop still valid? Yeah, it is. It is. Nothing's changed, right? This is based off a 1 hour closure. So, if the 1 hour breaks its lows, we should be good to come down. W bro, grinding hard. Yeah, always, man. Always. You gotta outwork everyone and outsmart everyone, and that's what I think well, I'm certain I'm doing. So, yeah, lots of potential here, guys. Chat, if this 15 closes somewhat like this, maybe a little bit stronger bearish, and then we get in a top wick, I'll be looking at taking a 15-minute onion here, because I don't see why, if that played out, it wouldn't end up in the eventual flipperoonie. You have a journal sheet? Yeah, you do exclamation mark record. Exclamation mark record. That's gonna show you all my trades. Every trade. Actually, have I updated it? What was the most recent? No, I haven't updated it. There's a few more trades on there that I need to add, but they're all either break evens or wins. So I'll do that after stream. But yeah, they're all either break evens or wins. Do you provide your trade journal templates, SG? Yeah, you can just copy that one. Just click on make a copy and you can grab it. I also have a free psychology journal you guys can use. Someone was messaging me the other day saying how much it helped them. So yeah, make sure you go and use that as well. But the journal that I just sent in, the record one, you can just go to here and go to file, make a copy and use that. But I'm also working on some new stuff, guys. So stuff coming soon, right? Bro said I like fruit pastels and got related to me. Nah, bro, it's the humor. The humor. Let's see, guys. 3 minutes to this 15-minute closure, though. Hopefully we can close, you know, almost like this, but with their bottom wick. Like this. Then a top wick and a flip down. If that happens, then I'll probably take that. Can't lie. Stops then could either be above the 15 high, which might be a little bit riskier, not riskier, but more aggressive, let's say, or they'd be above the 1 hour level, like we previously discussed, right? I think that'd end up being around 30 pips there. Yeah, that'd be decent. Fruit pastels are top, but jelly tots are on Planet Janet. Crazy. See, average stop loss pip. Average stop loss is between, I would say, between 30 to 60 pips. Somewhere in that area. I think the other day, though, not the other day, but a while back, we took a loss, which was 67. That was a little bit over, but yeah, 30 to 60. I'd say average is probably 50 pips, something like that. Let's see, 2 minutes here, chat, for this 15 close. It's also a 30 close as well. So it's going to be quite important for us to see. Also going to lead to probably a 30-minute celery. It's not bad. And then the 1 hour break of the low as well. 15 has just driven without us though, so that's unfortunate. I was hoping that we would get an opportunity to get in first. Maybe we get activated here, chat, who knows? Few minutes though, chat. Lock it in. Lock it in, man. That Le candle thing, is that not just a Thor's hammer candle? I'm pretty sure that's existed for a while. Okay, cool. So we're coming down here. The 30 minutes just flipped, which is interesting. I was hoping we'd get a better 15 entry, but if we get a top wick on this 15 now and a flip, I might take that rather than the break of the lows. I'll give us a little bit of a more aggressive advantage point. Alan, that made me laugh, I can't lie. That made me laugh. Okay, ideal. This would be a good closure, I can't lie. 30-minute closing, doji / weak bearish. That indicates that, you know, a celery is possible if we break the lows. 15-minute onion play potential, and the 1 hour break of those lows would be huge. See what the 15 does here, chat. Yeah, top wick, remember. Okay, we didn't get one. We'll stick to the break of the lows. Why is my spread so high? What the hell? Still haven't changed over to that other broker yet. My spread is fucking high. This is why I'm leaving IC markets, guys. I can't lie. Not ideal. Yeah, we're pushing down here though. See what happens here. Realistically, we should fill the bottom of this range if we break those lows. It'll be the daily lows being broken as well, right? Again. If we start to hover though, then it might not be the one, but we'll see. Well, the onion play, I'm guessing it's best taken at support resistance, but you can take it within the range. Yeah, 100%. 100%. I'm going to move the sell stop up right now to this 15-minute break of the lows. I'm going to move this sell stop up to here right now. Well, it's actually a little bit below that area. But this 15 flips right now. If this 30 flips right now, we should be good to at least fill the wick to drive down. And then once we break that low, we can then be by the time we break the low. And that's going to be the trade. Make sense, chat? Hopefully it does. So I've just moved that sell stop up to the now 15 break of the low. In order for us to then drive down. Stops will then be still the hourly high. But it'll be about 42 pips now instead of 50 odd. Gives us a little bit of more of an advantage point, if that makes sense. I'd like to see us start to flip relatively soon though, chat. Why can't I put this in the right place? There you go. Remember, chat, manage risk appropriately. If you're in this trade, then make sure you understand why you're in the trade. Don't just copy the trade with me. And if we lose, if it ends up being a loss, so be it, right? Absolutely so be it. That's not something that I can control, and it's part of my plan, so I'm taking the trade, but you guys take the glory if we get the win, and you take the responsibility if we end up taking the loss. That's how it works. It's a equal transaction. How many days in the week do you live stream? Every single day, Nima. Every single day. So I'll be live streaming, yeah, every day. 8:30 a.m. UK time is when we start. 8:30 a.m. BST. And yeah, sell stop question mark in your broker. Yeah, sell stop's there. 2340.2. Move it down a little bit. Around this area. But most of your risk to reward is negative, am I right? Yeah, I'd say so. I'd say mostly negative. It's maybe between... Mostly it's between 0.5 to 1 and 1 to 1. So, I mean, yeah, around like this area is normally alright. We're a little bit more positive than some people, but still negative. At what point will this trade be deemed invalid? Probably we'll wait for the next 15-minute closure. If the next 15-minute closure doesn't flip, then this trade will probably be invalid. It'll also be the last 15 of the 1 hour, and I don't really like being in a position for that. So that's probably something that's, yeah, a good indicator for us. And then, yeah, then we'll be looking at deleting at that point, right? But until we get to that point, this trade is still valid for me. I'm still very happy to take this. So, yeah. Just make sure if you guys are taking it that you understand the trade, like I said. Also, chat, drop a like. I heard that if we get to 150 likes, this trade will be a dub. Just what the rumors have been telling me. Could be wrong. Nah, I'm playing, but yeah, drop a like, chat. There's 200 of you in here right now. I appreciate you very much. Let's try to get to 150 likes, so that'd be massive. SG, are you in? No, I'm not in. It's sell stop not activated. You see that here? Yeah, not in just yet. Realistically, stops above that area too are also valid. That's also valid, I can't lie. So maybe. Yeah, let's see here. Just moving my thing here. Perfect. Perfect. It's still activated, chat. Don't worry, I haven't deleted anything. I just had to move it because it was a little bit on the wrong level. But we're chilling. We are chilling. Let's see, though. Break-even point is probably going to be this wick fill down here. Whoa. Who said there's no volume in late London? Whoever said that is I'm playing. Bitcoin. Is it not spatchcock chicken? I'm pretty sure that you've either made a hilarious joke there, Tyler, or you've got that one wrong. I don't know, I might be wrong. Yeah, okay. Alright. Gotta be different. I feel you. Yeah, look at this. So we might be re-breaking these highs here. Now, we re-break the highs. Does that make the trade invalid? That is a question. I would say, no, it doesn't. It does make these stops invalid though, so I'd have to move the stops up to probably above here. That's fine though. And yeah, if we start to get a closure up here though, that's a whole different kettle of fish. Closure up here would be, you know, a very good indicator for buyers. Okay, we broke that high. Hey, what happened? Oh, nothing. Okay. My audio went weird. Pushing up here, chat. So, it might be the case that we end up grabbing a little buy above. You only stream London session? Yeah, normally I stream from around 8:30 to around now 11ish, 12ish, sorry. But I'm thinking about starting New York session soon. Thinking about trading that soon. That could be interesting. SG molest fake outs. Yeah, we do love a good fake out, I can't lie. New York goes up. Does it? Yeah, do NY session. Yeah, that could be good actually. We'll see. Could be good. I wonder if we'd get by streaming New York session, you might get more viewers from different continents, I guess. Yeah, but we are already international. Like, we have people from everywhere here. South Africa, like India, America, all over the gaff. Europe, Australia. Mad. Mustafa, any predictions? Slovenia's crazy. Sweden, nice. What are you lot in here? New Zealand. Eugene's not from New Zealand, but there you are. But how does FTMO 50k funded work? I've never traded with FTMO. If you do want to get a 50k, you best off going to ACG and getting one. And then you can watch my video on exactly how they work. So I have a video on my YouTube exactly how the ACG fundeds work and how to trade them and all that stuff. So go check that shit out. If you're in the US and you need a prop firm, check out Arctic. I sent the link in earlier. Let's see here though, chat. That onion play was so clean. I don't really know why we're pushing up like this, to be honest. From Canada, hey, let's go. How is it over there? Late night for you right now. Okay, chat. We might have to call it here. We're forming some pretty... I don't want to say we're forming higher highs yet, because we're not, right? But we're getting to the point where we're going to start doing that, I'd say. You have a funded account? Yes. Australia. Hey, what's good? Day last Penny Smith. Nice to meet you. From Oz. Crazy. One of my boys has just gone and moved to Oz, which is sick. Yeah, I'm gonna move country soon too as well. I've got a few options in mind. But I feel like if I tell you them, you're gonna pick. Well, some of you are gonna pick the same ones. Yeah, chat's 4-hour flip. So I'm gonna delete this sell stop right now. On that 4-hour flip, I'm gonna be looking at a closure above though for buys. So this 1-hour closure. What I'm gonna do, chat, is I have a call at 12:30. That's a very important call with quite a big company, right? But I'm gonna look for a trade here at 12:30. So at 12 o'clock, sorry. So if we get in the trade, then I might have to reschedule the call. But if we don't, I'm just gonna have to finish stream quite quickly, you know, quite like abruptly. But we'll see what this does in about 16 minutes right now. Yeah, and also, like Spion just sent in, make sure you join, or no, not make sure, but if you want to get my trades, join the signals, because, yeah, I obviously trade New York every day, and then the signals in there. The signals right now are at what are they at, like a 90% win rate? You think I can pass the challenge with your strategy? Yeah, I mean, I did, and many other people have passed challenges with this strategy, so why not? I think you definitely can. Obviously, you still have to put in the work and manage your psychology and all that stuff, but yeah, you can pass the challenge with any strategy, including ours. Oh, chat. My back. That's that big crack there. Interesting to see what happens here, chat. Because we have rejected at this point in the past, right? If you look to the left, you see something like this where we've done the exact same thing. However, the previous times we grabbed a lot more liquidity. So that's what I was looking for us to do, but yeah, I'm not sure here. No, I'm not sure, but I'm not sure if we need to continue to come down, sorry, and grab all that liquidity. Bearing in mind that, you know, we're pushing so heavily. The daily too. Obviously, the daily is somewhat bullish from the previous daily, and the weekly as well. So could this just be a weekly bottom wick? I think potentially it could. I don't know if it's going to flip on the day, but the percentage chance of it being a weekly bottom wick is a lot higher. But it doesn't mean that this daily flips. You know, it could close today, bearish, and then trickle up, and then throughout the week it'll just yeah, the weekly will end up flipping. Retest and drop, maybe. The classic maybe. Yeah, nah, maybe. I don't mean to say it again, but yeah, potentially this could be that. If it is, I'd rather... Oh shit, I need to delete this. Sorry, chat. I forgot to delete the thing. Yeah, I deleted the sell stops by the way, chat. If you didn't know, they've been deleted. But yeah, what was I saying? I completely forgot what I was saying. Can't I? Oh yeah, if it is a retest, I'd rather wait for a closure higher up here, and then, you know, like an onion play for us to continue down. That'll give us a much better advantage point. That'll probably have to be in like 30 minutes, an hour, maybe an hour and a half though. So that will be sent into the signals. Yo, SG, do you mind if I ask you something through DM? I'm running into something. Guys, you can always DM me, no matter what. I know all of you guys in here. Just tell me you're from the stream, tell me your stream name, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I have a shitload of DMs, but I answer every single one of them, right? So have faith that if you... Well, not have faith, I don't want to sound like that, but if it's a little bit late and I haven't replied, just trust me, I will reply. Yeah, I reply to every single DM that I get. SG got the fastest DMs in the game. I'm not gonna lie, I do reply to most DMs quite quickly. I'm pretty much always on my phone, so my screen time is a bit of a joke. Let's check actually, chat. Let's check my screen time. Settings. Screen time. How do I see previous stuff? Wait, how do I see this? What I can see is current one. I don't even know, I can't see it, but it's high. It's like 10 hours, 9 hours at least. Yeah, it's pretty big. So that's why my DMs are quick. But DM me on Insta rather than anything else, because I spend most of my time on there. I'm starving though, chat. I'm gonna have to get some food in a sec. Yeah, chat, realistically, I think I'm gonna call it here. I'm not gonna lie. Well, let's play Pixel Letters right now. I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll play Pixel Letters. We'll play the game that we always play before we leave. We'll play that right now. And then if when we get to the hourly close, there's a closure that I like, we'll obviously look at taking something. But yeah, until then, let's play the Pixel Letters. And then if you guys want to leave right now, make sure you just drop a like on the way out. Massively appreciate it for all of you guys who do that. We'll check for the hourly closure, so there's still potential for us to get that trade. But at the minute, whilst we wait, we'll play the little game. See if Beans can carry us again. Pixel Letters for the clutch, yeah. Now it's a party, trust me, trust me. New York will be bull, yeah, maybe, bro. Maybe. What are we looking at here, chat? Tell me the word. I thought I'd got it then. I thought I'd absolutely smashed it, I can't lie. What is the word? Relay. Chat, I'm choking here. My bad. My bad. At least we know there's a Y at the end. And an E. I think the first letter is an N. It has to be, right? Has to be an N. Or actually, maybe an M. It could be an N or an M. Mendy. It can't be that. What's the fourth letter? Money? Nah, it can't be that. Sorry, my bad. There's an E here and Mercy, mercy. That's a good one, my bro. That's it. Yeah, Josh clutched again. It's a classic play from the boy. Oh, we did the pro one first. My bad, I forgot about that. Let's do the easy one now. If you don't know how to play the game, it's basically Wordle, but if there's a pixel that's green here, then there is a pixel present in that letter. For example, it could be a W, but if there's red, then it can't be there, right? For example, it can't be a T. Make sense? Cool. Alright, little filler guess there. World? Can't be world. Woman? That's too many oh, wait, no, it's not. It can't be that either. Well, horse? Good guess from Jar. Worse. Why is Norse not a word either as well? That definitely is a word. But yeah, GG Jar, you got that one. Definitely clutched up there. Beanington. Chat, one day it's going to be beans and then I'm going to be forever happy. I don't know what the word is. Areas. It can't be that though. There's no blood clot S at the end. Choice? That's too many letters. Glute. Glute. It can't be glute because there's no... There's no... There is something here, sorry, and there's nothing there on, you know, the U. Awake. It can't be that because there's no A third. I thought about that. I think we got... Is that a word? Chets? Chits? Alright, it's a H second. I think we're looking at... something H-E maybe. Yeah, it could be S-H, that's probably a good idea. Shed. Chips? It can't be chips. There's no I. That was a good one there. Chaps? Can't be that either. Chops? Can't be that. Chebs? Can't be Chebs. Chat, come on. You guys gotta help me out. You guys gotta help me out here. What are we looking at, man? It can't even be a C. I don't know why we're saying C. It can't be a C. S-H-E. Maybe an E. Yeah, where's Nicola at? That guy needs to come and clutch. Oh yeah, sheet. That can't be sheet, actually. What's this last one? So it's got this, this, this. Sheep? Sheen? Can't be Sheen. Yeah. Can't be that though. Not that though. Not that though. It's not even an E second. So what is it second? What is that? So there's no vowel second. Ah, shit. Show. There can't be an O either. Yeah, this one's a little bit tough. How is there not a vowel after an H? What words are there where there's not a vowel after a H? One like that. Shrub? Yeah, that could be it. Shrub could be it, you know. It could also be shrug. No, it couldn't. Can't be a G last. I think it's got to be shrub. Yes. Chat. Firstly, Josh, insane from you, my boy. Secondly, we are so good at this game. Just ridiculously good, chat. I can't even... What can I say? Now, chat, imagine, yeah, we get a closure above right now and everyone left and we take the trade and win. Oh my days. Oh shit. Now we can't take that, chat. Cool, chat. I'm going to call it here. Appreciate you all very, very much. Thanks for your, support. Thanks for pulling up today. Hopefully you learned something. Hopefully you got a, bit of education out of the stream, even though we didn't get a trade. Come back tomorrow. Hopefully we'll grab something. I definitely think there's potential for this week. Drop a like and a subscribe if you haven't already. I'm going to be releasing the vlog sometime today, so make sure you check that out. And yeah, other than that, guys, much love. Peace out. I'll catch you in the next one. Oh, it's a screamer.